Very good morning. We might start today with a 3 on 3 right on cue. Let's see. After this candle ends, if price comes back, I'm taking one right here. Yes, sir. Got a very bad fill, but we'll take it. Oh, shoot. That's the first entry for this morning. Give me 1 minute. That's the supply I'm talking about. That's 3 on 3 right there. It's early in the morning. Let's see if this works, man. I didn't get the best fill out there, but this is what it is. Good morning, Sherry bro. Very good morning, man. There's one. Hi. John bro, good morning. Vanakkam Balaji bro. Hi guys. I'm in this, man. Let's do some early morning shenanigans. Good morning, bro, Bala bro. Let's see, guys. That happened right out of the gate. I don't know. We're gonna wait and watch. So usually these trades run throughout the day. If this one runs throughout Tokyo session, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can I enter now, bro? It's up to you, but the trade is gone, man. Um, it's way down there right now, bro. Your stop loss is gonna be big. Lizzie, hi. That's why I was in live 35 seconds early because I didn't want you guys to lose this. If you got in right out of the gate, I think you would have got that trade because that was an A plus. Yeah, that was the supply. Good morning, Chandel bro. Hi. Entered 4084. Nice, bro. Very nice. Let's see, guys, if we cover the push from yesterday in today's Tokyo, well, I'll be I'll be closing closing the account today, man. I mean, I'll pass the account if that happens today. Let's see, guys. Still early days for 3 on 3 to call anything out, but come on. Sudhir, bro. Hi, good morning. Okay, I forgot about gold. All right, let's see if we could catch anything in terms of what the. I'm just looking at the gap. I didn't know that was a gap. That's gold futures right there in 5 minutes. Holy hell. I like that. I'm just trying to see if I have any stop hunt or hash entries. If I get anything, guys, I'll let you know. Because if I get anything like that in the sell side, I'll say muchas gracias to gold. For now, I don't see any valid entries, man. What? Okay, we'll put an alert down there, I think. So let's see if this holds, people. So today I entered from 40.90 about 50% at 81. That's awesome, bro. Congrats, man. Yo, Sudhir, bro, you did that this morning? Wow, bro. Good morning. Nava, good morning, bro. You are in this trade. Yes, I am in this trade. Carlito, hi. Welcome, boys and girls. Let's see if this entry holds. This might run all day. If it doesn't, we can take other trades. I didn't sleep to join you live because every day I was missing your live. I wanted to join you. Sudhir, bro, thank you, man. Yeah, that's commitment right there, my brother. Where are you located right now, bro? Um, which part of the world? I'm pretty sure it's not East Asia, is it? Good morning. Hi. Welcome, people. That's another tap. I mean, that's a valid tap right there. If you guys missed the entry. I'm coming back because of 200 SMA. That's why I booked 50%. Oh, it's coming back because of 200 SMA. I'm in sell from 40.93. Let's go, Carlito. Nice, brother. Delhi? Bro, did you just say I didn't sleep? Bro, it's early in the morning, man. I thought you were living somewhere else, bro. Good morning. Yes, sir, I am in the state. Good morning, Bala, bro. Bro, Sudhir, bro, I thought you were in the, UK or something, man. Bro, it's early in the morning, bro. Oh, wow, man. I love you guys, bro. Let's see, guys. It's almost the end of the month. This is where 3 on 3 has given godly trades. I've held up my end when it comes through 3 on 3, and I haven't lowered the risk as of yet. Let's see if it decides to give us the monster today, man. Because I'll be very happy if it does. Because it's a whole month of getting beatings from 3 on 3. Man, that was not tasty. Um, all right. How much lot you using in funded? This one, bro, this one I took it with 0.13 lots. I have a 1 is to 100 leverage. So 0.13. I did forget to put this on. That's entry. And that's stop loss. Bro, mindful of 60% funding pips rule. Yeah, guys, you gotta be mindful of that, man. You can't use all your margin, bro. Guys, I only risk 0.2% or 0.4% depending upon the setup and where I am at, the account. So I'm pretty safe in that sense on the margin rule. But it's up to you guys, man. You gotta be very careful. You can't risk more. But the flex accounts, I can you're safe. You're pretty safe with flex accounts. They don't have that rule. But with the other accounts, man, careful, boys. Damn, bro, the 3 on 3 showing flames. Khalida, bro, sometimes it will just hold up its end, man. Regardless of what's going to happen, price will fall um, from the zone. But, bro, majority of the times you're going to take hits, bro. But that's the thing about 3 on 3s, right? I will take them until I die, man. Those are good setups if you catch them, 3 or 4 times a week. Sorry, month. Those 3 or 4 times, that's going to be glorious, brother. That'll be fun to catch, actually. I do trade till late night in gold BTC yesterday. 1 point SL, one SL 300 points. After that, 600 points TP 64050. Oh, okay. Makes sense. So you trade late in the night and then sleep until the afternoon? Is that what you're saying, bro? How come the mini is one micro lot? The mini? I don't know. I don't take minis. I trade in XAUUSD. Nice and simple. Nothing complicated, my brother. Bro, what is TP? There's no TP, brother. There's no TP for this. Again, this is a 3 on 3 trade. That's why I haven't put a TP to it. Guys, if this decides to run, I'm gonna let it run until Tokyo ends. Okay? That's gonna be like a time-based exit. But this one, let's see if the entry holds. If it decides to hold, man, we're gonna let it run, people. It'll be like, run, Forest, run. It's that kind of an entry, my brother. BTC also same strategy. Bro, I don't do BTC, man. I used to, at least. Now I don't. Not more than 60% profit from single trade. Okay. You're talking about the what is it? Consistency rule, right? Balaji, bro? Makes sense, man. Sudhir, bro, I got you, man. I thought, yeah, man. Now I understand. You trade late nights. Gotcha. I'm finding in funding firms, the minimum lot is one. GC futures. No, bro. This is not micro lots, man. This is actual GC. Okay. Marshall, samosa and lassi. Let's go, man. Thank you, brother. That was lovely. Carlito is looking for a head and shoulders. Let's go. Good morning, Dr. Kumar. Very happy to have you. What's the time there, sir? In KL, what's the time? I missed the entry. Good morning, bro. Have a nice day. Michelle, that's fine, bro. You never know with these things. It's not it's not stop hunt. It's 3 on 3. It's a hit or miss thing. So don't worry, bro. You also sent Pani Puri for me, man. Appreciate it, bro. FOMC buy seems like a fake out now. Kalido, yeah, bro. FOMC usually, yeah, man, price comes back to where it went from. Yesterday it was a huge push up in gold. Let's say, man, let's see if we can balance the scales and get back to where price came from. That'll be fun to watch if we are still in the trade. Machine. Okay. Good morning, Machi. Is that what you're trying to say, bro? What what is the meaning of machine, man? Happy morning. Hi, very good morning. I like that. I like the fact that it's a happy morning. It's always a happy morning. Thank you. Raja, bro. KL 8:15 a.m., 2.5 hour difference. 2.5 hours. That's nice. That's a sweet time to trade, For us in India, we have to wake up early. But for you, sir, I mean, I think you're in the perfect time period in terms of Tokyo session. Well, can you help me with the size positioning, sorry, in GC micros 50K eval? I can risk minimum 1 micro gold. So 3 micros is good per trade. Bro, it depends on the size of your stop loss. This one was very small. This is just 369 pips for me. You have to get so you have to get a calculator, online calculator. Have one with I used to have one with what is it? Funny pips. So they'll give you a calculator built in. You should enter, the pair that you're doing right now. Let's say we're doing gold. What's the size of the account? How much percent you want to risk, and then how many pips your stop loss is. In this case, guys, that's 369 pips. Once you enter all these things, you'll get to know the lot size. Okay. Um, Make sure you get a calculator like that and then trade with it, my brother. No, Arvind, there is a new rule, not consistency, profit concentration policy. I had no clue about that. Balaji, bro, please tell me what that is. And that seems very important. Can you explain that, bro? Because I've never heard of it. Profit concentration policy. Uh, please let me know. Rice is actually playing with me today. Usually, if it wants to go, it'll just get up and leave after the entry. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens. Bro, I fell asleep yesterday and missed the trade. It banged, bro. Your strategy on fire, and it's simple. I've been backtesting it in another session, and recent session works the best. Carlito, that's fine, bro. You're here today. Man, guys, yesterday, Badri in group was saying that she's been with the community for the last 2 weeks. She's passed 100K account and is up $1,000 just by trading Stop Hunt and Ash. Again, Badri, if you're watching this, congrats. Well done. Um, I had a very bad week 3 weeks ago, so I'm getting back from that. But last 2 weeks has been very kind, and Ash has been brilliant in the last week. So we're making good strides. People, congrats. If you're doing good, yeah, bro. Thank you, man. Stop on is actually very good. If you guys could learn it and apply it, man, you'll be very successful. Trust me. No more than $900 in a single trade idea. Come on, is that a rule, bro? That's messed up, man. Yo, sometimes I break $2,000 in a single trade, bro. Ah, god damn. I don't like that rule, bro. Balaji, bro, I'm pissed. I'm super pissed because I wait for my look before. This is what we made, man. Look at this. That's $1,100. Okay. This is with three and threes again. That's $1,131. That's a 1:25. And even before that, yeah, that's $1,566, man. I mean, having a rule which prevents me from getting those trades is messed up, bro. I'm actually genuinely pissed right now, man. That's not fair, bro. That's not fair. I'm gonna talk to Funny Pips about this. I don't. I might get a Flex account, man. I don't think. Do they have that rule in Flex account, bro? Bro, if everyone is doing prop firms, eventually one day everyone will learn how to trade and all the firms will be losing money. So what's your opinion about prop firms in futures? Bro, trust me, man, if everyone starts doing prop firms, 99, sorry, 90% will lose money. Because guys, it's very hard to have the discipline and the patience to pass 100 accounts. Yes, everyone is trying to do it, but majority of them will fail. That is how it has been designed because not a lot of us have the discipline and the patience to carry on with the risk and fight back when your account is in drawdown. It's been desi- it's been designed in such a way that it's psychologically almost impossible, not impossible, don't get me wrong, almost impossible for the masses to pass. So I don't think it's in jeopardy, bro. They're doing very well, man. For Top Step, one of the firms, I know this for a fact because I saw I saw a research paper on this. TopStep made $300 million in the last financial year just from the challenge amounts. $300 million. Well, that's a lot of money for a prop firm. They're doing very well, bro. They're doing very, very well. So they'll never be in jeopardy, bro. Don't worry. There'll always be a prop firm set up in the corner that we can take advantage of. It's a good thing for us because if you're disciplined like me, if you want to do this for the long haul, man, eventually you'll get there. And when you get there, bro, changes will happen very quickly, right? So don't worry, man. Prop firms are here to stay. As long as the law allows it, they'll be here, man. Give it a like. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, we got 11 likes. Let's go. 12 now. I hope we get a discount of the course and the secret sauce. Carlito, bro. Guys, I've been talking about this for the last 3 days. You guys keep asking me, okay, same rules for everyone. I'm like, Mahindran, yeah, bro, I'm on a trade, man. I'm on a short right now. I just got a text in Discord. Carlito, everyone, I'll release the course live with the discount codes for 5 people. Whoever gets it, gets it. No special treatments because I've had early requests and it's been made for them. But I haven't given them any early bird discounts, so everyone will be treated alike. So don't worry. Carlito, bro, let's do it together, man. Could you please explain this trade, bro? Yeah, man, sure. Bro, that's the first 3 on 3 of this morning. So it's just a pattern I look for. That's three candles down, one candle supply, and then three candles down again. I want price to come back, tap within my session, which happened. Price came back, tapped it, and started falling downwards. That's the entry, bro. That's 3 on 3 supply zone. You see that? That's the supply zone I'm talking about. And I will send you the link. If you're new here, man, you can go ahead, watch the links so that I would have explained this better in those links. Let me get that for you right now because I should be sending these links in the comment section every morning. I sometimes forget. Hold on, guys. I'm getting shown ads. So in this YouTube page, I don't have a premium. Have it in my personal account, so showing me ads every time I log in. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, wow. One second, boys. So those are the links for the videos, guys. If you guys are new here, please go ahead. You can watch it. Pretty straightforward strategies, man. Very straightforward, actually. But a couple of secrets are still with me. Don't worry. Bro, who's your mentor if you don't mind? Bro, my best friend is my mentor when it came to stop hunt strategy because he learned it from someone else. He mentored me in terms of stop hunt. Um, Ash, Ash is something that we developed together. Ash is aggressive stop hunts, right? That we developed together. But 313 also, it's our strategy from the scratch. No mentors for that. But guys, I did actually have people to teach me trading. I did, in the sense, I did buy a few courses over the period of the last 9 years. I think I've spent more than $5,000. Not I, me and my best friend. We are together in this. So we spent more than that for courses and way more than that for funding accounts. So it's a process, man. And mentor has been majorly YouTube and a couple of books, good books. So it's a collection, right? It's just not one person who taught us trading. It's a collection of, I think, 9 years worth of data being collected. Um, Tons of YouTube videos, learn one thing from here, learn something else from there. Guys, I learned about risk management after 6 years into investing. Can you believe that, man? After 6 goddamn years, because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Initially, I was into stocks, right? So I'm not managing any risk. I buy a stock and then I let it run to whatever the time period it's gonna run. It ran for 3 years without profit. I was a newbie back then. So it took me a while to understand what risk management is and how to actually be profitable and what's the formula that profitable people use. And it turns out, bro, I was talking to KJ last night, late last night, 10 o'clock. I'm not sure if he's here, but I was telling him, listen, bro, you just need a 40% win rate. That's all you need. People like you and me, guys, we search for a strategy which has an 80, 90% win rate. You don't need that, man. You don't need that to be successful, guys. I don't know. We keep searching for a good strategy out there. And eventually I've figured out after all these time that all you need is a strategy with 50% win rate and a 1 is to 3 risk to reward. That's it. Once you have that, guys, you're going to be wildly successful, man, in the long run. If if you have the marbles to do it day in and day out and execute every time your strategy shows up, that's all you need, right? Guys, that took me 6 years to learn. So if you're watching this, I'm telling that to you. You might be in a different stage of your trading journey, maybe very new, maybe 2 years in, maybe 1 year in. But guys, if you understand that fact that you don't need a lot to be successful in trading, then your mindset and your perspective changes when it comes to trading. I hope it changes for you because don't take 6 years like me to learn that, man. Um, be- because that was dumb. I didn't know what I was doing. There was no one to teach me. I hope you guys learn it from my mistakes and not do it. If you learn these small things, the execution, the discipline, and the psychology that I've got after so long, man, your process won't be 9 years like me, right? Yesterday, going back to Badri yesterday in Discord, she was saying that she passed it in 2 weeks, trading from my life, right? Guys, it took me 2.5 years to do it. She did it in 2 weeks, following my strategy, right? Guys, you can cut my time into one third or even 0.5% of what I've done. So you don't have to do the whole 9 years. Understand the core principles of trading. You can cut that time into maybe 2 years or 3 years. Okay. You won't take 9 years like me. For you, it might be 3 years. If you're learning, the right things from me, the mistakes that I've made and correct those mistakes in your journey, right? That's what I would expect from you people. Just just take it from me because from a person who's blown upwards of 25 accounts to get through and learn all this, it'll become easier for you when you learn the things from me and stop doing the things that I've done before. Man, I didn't have a stop loss when I was trading Bitcoin. No stop loss, zero. And I was trading futures, okay? I was using leverage trading. So that means that you will have a place where your account will be blown. So you lose all your money. Account blown means you lose all the money when price gets to a certain point, certain price point. So guys, be careful, man. You can't be blowing accounts, bro. So I've done the 9 yards, guys. I've done the 9 yards. So hold on. If I get any other trade towards the downside, I'll take it. But this is running right now. We let it be. But yeah, man. I don't know why I went on a rant about that, but oh, the Menta bit. Okay. One more 3 on 3 immediately after that too. Double Damaka. But bro, I always try to take the first 3 on 3 that shows up, and that usually works well, man. What is your timing, bro? Bro, it's right here, man. My timing is start of Asian session, bro. 5:30 to 8:45. Bro, what's your P&L for the day you begin trading futures? Today, man, the P&L is running, bro. I mean, it's live. I'll only know what my P&L is after the day ends, bro. So stick with me, man. I'll let you know. Margin call email is the worst, bro. Josh, bro, I know, man. Guys, I've had it at least 10 times in my life. Man, it sucked, bro. That's why I left BTC, to be honest, because margin calls without having a stop loss strategy is the worst thing that you can do for your life. Don't get me wrong, guys. I did make quite a bit of money there, but eventually, man, you lose it all, right? With your margin calls. Josh, bro, knows that feeling, man. Nice strategy, bro. Is this based on any specific time frame? Redson, man, yeah, bro. This is in the 1 minute, um, and the stop and strategy is in the 5 minutes. That's wildly successful. If you guys just want to follow that, please go ahead because this is not mandatory. 3 on 3 is my vice. I like to indulge in my vice every day. So I'll keep doing this. Same here. I placed $100 with 60x leverage on BTC long position night before Trump introduced tariffs. There we go. Now, bro, you understand my pain, don't you? In mind blowing, it's mind blowing to hear people taking trades without SL. I cannot enter any trades without SL. Paul, bro, yeah, man, you're in the right track because initially as newbies into trading, you don't understand what stop loss is since you're very new to it. And also, as a person who started trading stocks, I didn't know what stop losses were. For me, it was just investing, right? At that point, it's just investing, just buying things and letting them sit. Hold on. Guys, if they don't let me bank more than $900 on this trade, I'll be very disappointed in funding pips because this strategy needs a lot to keep alive. And I need that 2000 or $1,500 risking $50. I don't know, bro. Balaji, bro, I'm going to be pissed, man. Talk to funding pips, bro, for me, for my sake. Um, Bro, what's the most you've made in a month? Bro, I've, my car that is standing outside my gate is proof that I've made a lot of money in a month. I don't want to disclose that. I made my car in a single month, man. I leave it at that. Um, Guys, don't tell people. It's between you and me, okay? Especially not the revenue department. God. Hi, man. Kiran, bro, welcome. Show where you enter. Bro, it's right on the screen, man. You see those blue color thingies? That's where I entered, bro. Right here, man. It's all on the screen, my brother. What's up, bro? Sit-ups, not push-ups, lol. Guys, I'll only listen. I'll only do these things once the TP or stop loss hits. For this one, I will let this trade run until 12:29. So I'll only do my sit-ups after I hit my TPs, okay? Sorry. Yeah, sit-ups during TP, correct. Okay, it only applies to accounts created after Flux rollout. No, bro, this is an ancient account, bro. Balaji, bro. This one I've had it since 6 months, I think. No, 6 months, 5 months, 5 or 4 months. So I think I'm safe on that rule, brother. Because listen, I have banked big on this. That's $1,500 already banked on that. I think I don't have this in the sheet, but I've also banked almost $2,000 on this. That was an accident trade, so I didn't want to take that into account. I don't want to show people accidental trades in my portfolio. So I've already done this. I have had no issues with it so far, but I'm not sure what they're going to do if, they see another $2,000 trade right now and then say, listen, Arvind, we're going to cut that into 900. I don't know what they're going to do, man. Prabhu, bro. Very good morning, man. How's it going? Carlito is asking, bro, have you used goat funded accounts? Nah, man. Carlito, bro, I haven't used them, bro. Have you? Are they any good? Tell me, man. Awesome. Doesn't apply to your account then. Thank you, bro. You just gave me a heart attack, a mini heart attack this morning, man, because for this strategy to work, bro, I want 1 or 2 trades a month to run over $2,000. Okay? That is what will save this strategy. I hope today it does for my sake and my account's sake. Let's let's wait and watch, people, because if it does, man, I'll pass my account today. Which country are you from? Bro, I'm from India, man. I'm from Chennai, bro. Guys, it'll be awesome if this runs to a 1 is to 20, man. Right now, I think it's running at a 1 is to 5, 1 is to 3, maybe. Yeah, 1 is to 3.5. Man, it'll be bonkers if it runs to a 1 is to 20 or is to what this morning. Carlito, it's a scam. It is a scam. They don't match with market price. And when you say break-even price already in loss, sometimes fake guru they earn from IB subs. Daisy, I've seen that happen, and I don't disagree at all. I'm not saying I've seen that I've seen it with Goat Funded, but exactly what she mentioned, like they'll pay people to say it's a good prop firm. Bro, I've had requests. Trust me, I'm not naming names. I have had requests, to do certain things, but I've seen people actually claim that they've done it um, off camera. Guys, you will be seeing people show fake certificates from prop firms that's been given to them and accounts saying that they've passed, they've got funding, they've got payouts. Those are all fake. I've seen people do it. I've had requests to do it. Never. Uh, Chennai, let's go. Yeah, bro. Chennai, man. But I'm not sure about Goat Funder, man. I'm not bad mouthing anyone. That's why I don't name names. Danny, my brother. Good morning, man. How's it going? But honestly, I'm learning from your story that just copying your trades. Okay, I'm learning from your story than just copying your trades. I thought I'm only one facing challenges alone here. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. It's it's the cycle of a normal middle class trader like you and me. At least I am. I'm not sure about you, but so that's the cycle, man. You begin trading, you don't know jack shit about it. You get your teeth kicked in initially, at least for the first 2 years. Then you understand risk management. Then you understand risk to reward. Then you make strides with a decent strategy, with all the discipline that you learned in the first 3 years. Then slowly but surely things starts to change. Eventually, you're looking back and thinking, "Oh my God, how far I've come here, and I can't believe I've walked this far alone." But trust me, get someone to travel with you. I have my best friend to do it with me. Now I have 100 people to share in the journey and to grow together. So I'm very happy and I feel blessed, man. Yesterday I was telling my mom about all the people I meet. You know, a lot of you guys, my mom knows. Okay, she might not know your face, but she definitely knows your name. Balaji, bro, Danny, bro. You guys trade midnight. Olu, bro. I can't name each and every one of you. Dr. Kumasa, Sherry, KJ. She knows all the stories, man. If you guys shared your story with me, she knows. Even my wife knows, man. See, Patel, bro. Sorry, I missed you there. She knows. So, guys, you're not alone in this journey. You have someone with like me here. Make friends in the community in Discord. You don't have to do it alone. Carlito, I've talked to her about you, man. See, Ranjit, bro, mom knows. She keeps asking about Shaz, uh, Rizwan, Raj, Dr. Kumasa. She keeps asking about these people, man. Okay. Going back to the comments. It's only fair whoever takes a trade along with you has to do sit-ups and push-ups depending upon the results. Rizwan, bro, 100% I agree, man. Which platform I'm using? I'm using Funding Pips. To be honest, okay, I saw that. Sendil, bro, sorry, man, I don't know how to read Tamil, man. If you could translate that for me. Danny says, good, man. Where are you residing in Chennai, bro? Right, bro, I'm in Pural, man. Pural. Bro, we master trade account. 25K, right? Wrong. Please reply me. Master account. So direct funding accounts, 25K. Yeah, man. If you think you're disciplined enough to only risk 0.4% every trade and and you have a strategy that has a 50% win rate with a 1 is to 3, go for it, man. That's my advice for you, bro. Good morning, Patel, bro. Happy to see you, man, as always. What happens if another 313 setup forms? Carlito, I don't care about other 313 setups, man. The first thing that shows up, I'm in. If you want to see, I'll show you. That's the first setup that showed up. Look, you see that green? Sorry, yellow? That's the first setup that showed up. We entered, and this is the second one that did show up. Again, that also worked, but for me, the first thing is all that matters, brother. Everything else, I completely disregard, okay? Respect. Yeah, bro. Yo, Danny, bro, you know how she reacted when I told her that you were trading midnight? She went, so that kid is watching you all night and not sleeping? That's what she said. Sorry, that's what she said, man. Bro, she feels for you, man. She doesn't want you to spoil your health, brother. Bro, I really felt sorry, but bro, I felt really bad hearing about some millionaire who took their own life instead Lambo last year due to market crash, I believe. Yeah, man, you have those stories too, guys. That's why you have risk management. You play, you know, the game the right way because this is rigged, people. If you don't have the risk management, you're gonna lose your life savings as well as everything that you've ever had in your life. So be careful when it comes to risk, people. You can't just keep risking. Uh, yeah, man. Bro, my hand are not in control till the profits. Marshall, bro, keep going, man. Keep the discipline, people. I don't care where this trade runs. Right now, it's at a 1 is to 5. Man, this is gonna run, people. I got a gift. Let's go. Chai toast. Let's go, bro. Thank you. Let's have chai. Bro, what's the TP? There's no TP for this, man. It's a time-based exit again. I'll only exit when Tokyo ends. So let's see if this trade is a runner and it runs to a 1 is to 40. Appreciate for reading all the messages. Which platform are you using, bro? No worries, man. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bro, I'm using Funding Pips 25K second step standard account. Okay. Jayashree, good morning. My mom knows your name. She knows your story. I was telling her yesterday that I have a couple in my live sessions. Both husband and wife, they both look at my session, and she was like, "Seriously?" I'm like, "Yeah." That's a good story to say. Thank you, thank you. It's entertaining when you mic when you when you mimic. Okay, thank you. Yesterday I slept till 2 p.m. to capture 40.99 till 40.50 with stop hunt. That's awesome, bro. You're the best, man. Just woke up. Oh, wow. Marshalls and Pani Puri. Let's go. Patel, bro, you missed this trade, man. That's a monster. It looks like a monster, bro. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Right now, it's running at a 1 is to above a 1 is to 5. Let's see, guys. Of course, bro. You deserve it. Can't miss you for a second. Danny, bro, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Guys, I do it for you because I was really against doing live sessions. I didn't want to do lives because I don't want to explain my trades because getting profits and losses are a part of the journey. A lot of people don't accept that losses are a part of it, and they'll be really mad when they see it. I accept it. Most of you guys accept it, but some of people out there, they don't accept losses. So I didn't want to do it. I was like very skeptical about it. I don't want to explain myself to random strangers, questioning my strategy and my method of doing it. Yeah, asking about it is fine, but I don't know, man. I didn't want to do it for that sense, but I realized my best friend made me realize that, listen, bro, you might help one or two people out there, and you're really good at talking. That's what he said. Why not do it? You're doing it every day, trading. Why not help few people out there who deserve it? So that's why we do lives. I'm very happy that we decided to go live. I've met amazing people out there. Respect you guys for being here and supporting me. Means a lot to me, people. So thanks to you, we're doing it. If I could help even two people in this whole journey, satisfied, man. That's what I was telling my mom last night. She was very happy that I'm happy. Bro, TP for this date. Bro, Alan, bro, there's no TP, man. It's gonna run, bro. If it runs to a 1 is to 40, bro, I'll take it. I'll only close it at Tokyo end. Um, what time of Tokyo? Bro, I start my live sessions as soon as the session begins. So, Jai Shri Ram, brother. Jai Shri Ram, my brother. Any god, I'm not biased when it comes to gods. Any god out there can help me. We can take all the help we can get, right? All right, last month your session used to have 20 to 30 members. Now it's 125. We have come a long way. Sam, bro, 100%, my brother. Yeah, we're growing in a rapid pace thanks to you people, right? You people like my streams. You people watch my streams. Yeah, we're growing, man. Let's see. We'll keep growing. My goal is to have 1,000 people in here. Let's see if we do it in this year, man. Thank you for saying that, though. So, Sam, that means that you've stuck with me for a month at least. So, you know my journey. We started with very less people doing lives. Now we're at 125 people. Thank you, man. You stuck with me, bro. Means a lot. Trade miss, bro. Ajmira, don't worry. You'll get another one. There's always tons of trades out there. Do not stress about this one. London session trade, bro, with you. London session? Um, Trust I learned it from you, Stop Hunt, sir. Thank you. Patel, bro, you're welcome. Uh, Stop Hunt has been a killer the last week because I'm very happy about this, man. Look at this. This is the last 2 weeks' performance with Stop Hunt and Ash. I've actually risked very less because my account was below 50%. If this trade goes well today, I'll more I'll actually go above um, break even. Then I can go back to my original risk. But guys, rules are rules. When you go below 50%, you risk less of what you usually do. So I risk 50% of my usual risk. Um, so I was risking $50. Usually I used to risk 100 and take 300 profits. But in the last 2 weeks, it's been beautiful. So we'll keep replicating the results, man. I know the money amount in terms of monetary gains, it's less. It's just almost what? It's just almost $700. We were risking only 50. So $700 from 50 is a good return, right? I hope you guys agree. That's a what? 1 is to 13 risk to reward right there. So we'll keep going, guys. This is just the beginning of the journey. Remember, I'm gonna be doing this for a long time. Let's see, man. We'll show levels uh, in terms of capital we trade. Right now, we're at 25K. In the next 6 months, we'll get to $1 million. in capital. Brother, which is the best funded account for someone from Bangladesh? Bro, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure what accounts you guys have available there, man. If you have funding pips, bro, you can do it. Guys, this is not TP, so don't worry about that. Bro, do you teach courses, bro? Sandil, bro, yeah, man. I am getting a course out, man. It will be out Monday. So join me Monday. I'm giving coupon codes on that day. If you guys join the stream, one rule for everyone. I'll give it in the live so that everyone has equal opportunity to get in. So join me Monday, man. Damn profit concentration had to close TP. Thanks, Arvind. Balaji, bro. You're welcome, man. You hit 900 already. Congrats, bro. That's amazing, my brother. Congrats. Bro, Balaji, bro, let me ask you this. Is that concentration rule apply for flex accounts that they've released, that one-step flex account? Is it the same? Because I don't know, man. I have never heard about that, but maybe, bro, good morning, man. How's it going, my brother? Bro, Tokyo kab bad hota? Kab bad hota? Am I reading that right? When is Tokyo bad? Is that what you're asking, bro? Mm, Tokyo's never bad, man. She's very kind to me, bro. Do you use the fib? No, man. This is just an entry out of 313, man. There's no fib out there. It's just a pattern that I look for, bro. No fib for this one. How you said TGT? Bro, I'm not sure what TGT means, bro. Where did you learn this strategy, bro? Sendel, bro, this strategy, I thought myself, I actually saw a pattern that happened every day. Um, I backtested the pattern and it worked perfectly, man. You see those, I'm not sure if you can see it. I've showed this before, but you see those papers down there on the wall? Those are charts. Those are proof that the strategy works. Those are trades over 1 is to 30s, man. And to my left, I have trades over 1 is to 40s and 50s. So I have data to prove that this strategy works. I built it myself. I don't know. I was lucky to stumble onto a pattern and it has other confluences to it, but it works once or twice a month. Okay. That's the only time it works. Sometimes it might work 4 or 5 times, but when it works like this. It'll keep going. You wait for those days and you make your account, you know, fly into the stratosphere, man. All right. Okay, please suggest re-entry on any retest. Yeah, man. Marshall, don't worry, bro. I will be looking for, what do I call? How do I put this? Yeah, I'll be looking for Ash entries or stop on entries towards the downside. You can actually re-enter with those trades. Right now, there's no pullbacks. So for Ash to form or stop on to form, we need a V recovery, right? When that happens, bro, I'll look for another trade towards the short side. I'll definitely let you guys know, man. Guys, as always, I show you and tell you everything that happens. Don't worry, I'll show it to you. Good morning, Madan bro. Hi. All accounts during evaluation stage, you can take more than 60% profit target in a single trade idea. Okay, all accounts. That makes sense, bro. Thank you for saying that, man. Respect, my brother. He's saying when Tokyo is closed, banned. Oh, banned means closed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got that. But oh, is he asking that if Tokyo is closed? I'm still. Tokyo is not closed, man. Tokyo is wide open, bro. What is he? What does he think that? Brother, do you teach trading? I like to learn trading properly from you. Could you help me? Yeah, man, I'm getting a course out, guys. Stay tuned. Be here live Monday. I'm launching a course, so you can. That's for complete beginners. So I made that course with my nephew in mind because he asked me to teach him how to trade. He's in the 11th grade, so I've made that course with him in mind. So it starts from what a candlestick is and everything that you have to learn from trading itself will be on the course. So if you guys want, I'm releasing that Monday. Again, it's not for everyone. It's going to be priced at a premium. So if you're very serious about trading, then only think about it. But other than that, man, you guys have my trades live. You don't get 100% of my strategy, but I'll show you what I do, right? So, bro, come back Monday, man. I'll give it to you. Target, bro. Target is hopefully a 1 is to 80, man. That's the target. What time off to Tokyo end? Oh, Tokyo ends at, oh, that's what you asked. Got you, bro. 12:29 p.m. IST. For my time, it's 12:29 p.m. Tokyo ends. 12:30 London begins. That's when I'll close this trade. I'll let this run, bro. If it runs whole day, so be it, man. Have you seen FOMC move, bro? I took 300 pips profit in it. Nidhi, bro, you're amazing, man. You're a relentless bugger, bro. Yo, it's awesome that you trade news, man, because I can't do it, bro. They'll blow my account. You can't. Yeah, I got it, bro. Balaji, bro. So, if you're free, can you check candle from date 27 July 2026, time 6:35 a.m., candle to yesterday's high. Patel, Patel, bro, are you talking about stop hunt or 3 on 3, man? So you got to clarify so that I don't waste your time and mine. 6:30 candle also coming. Yes, sir. 6:30 is coming in 4 minutes. If price drops like a brick, we're printing money today. Printing money. Remember that? Can we use your indicator for a limited time just to test? Bro, I'm giving it out for free, man. Monday, I'm doing that out for free. Don't worry. You can use it for unlimited time. Hold on, I'm coming with all the comments. You don't use a sell plus on winning trades. Use no, is that are you asking if I do break evens? I don't do break evens, boys. Good morning, Niranj. Hi, bro. Lately, Tokyo session is the best for gold. It sets the move. Yes, sir. It's been glorious lately. I agree. What is Ash? Ash is aggressive stop-ons. All right. Because this is the full extension of the fib, but my SL by the week. Bro, I don't use fib, man. It's just a pattern that I look for. Good night, gents. I'm out. Carlito. See you, man. Always nice to see you, bro. Yeah, you know that. You know what, man? Looks like this is the pattern to the 3 on 3 you take. Looks like there is a pattern to the 3 on 3s you take. Yeah, bro. 3 on 3 is a pattern, man, in itself. So 3 1 3, that's a pattern, right? Bro, 6:30 New York session. 6:30 is, I think, 6:30 is the first 4 hour candle of Tokyo session. 6:30 a.m. right now in the next 3 minutes. That's the first 4 hour candle. So that brings a lot of volatility. So price will start moving like crazy. Um, so that's why 6:30. 6:30 evening is New York session. Right now, it's not. Stop hunt, sir. Okay, Patel, bro, I just got your message. So I'm going back on that. All right, I'll check it out for you. Don't worry. Uh, 27 July. Okay, 6:30 is not here. Why is that reaction coming? Okay, 27 July. Guys, I have a request for 5 minutes. Hold on. I'll come back to it. 27 July. 27 July. All right, this is 27 July. Okay, what is it? 6:35 a.m. All right, let me go. 6:35. What happened at 6:35? Can you check the candle from date 27 July, 6:35 a.m. candle to yesterday's high? Oh, you're talking about yesterday's high move. Oh, yes, sir. That's a perfect trade, man. But hell, bro, you got it, bro. If you caught that, that's perfect. That's a perfect stop on right there. Well done. If you caught it. Guys, 1 more minute. Let's see if this will hold and it will continue towards the downside. In the meanwhile, I'm going to check if I have any Ash entries because I love Ash. So there you go. If price breaks this low, man, I'll be looking for an Ash entry towards the downside because I can't take longs. If I get confirmations towards the downside, I'll definitely take it, okay? Let's see if and when price breaks that low. If I forget it, remind me, okay? Let's see, boys and girls. All right, coming back to it. They use market session time chart. Oh, I forgot to check the news for today, man. Thank you for reminding me, boys. 6:30. Sorry, 6:30 is here. Wait. Let's watch 6:30. Let's see what she does. She's sometimes she's mean, sometimes she's very, very sympathetic and lovely. Let's see what she brings today. If she brings this candle that just drops, that'll be lovely. Hold on, guys. I'll check the news for you. She's just mean to begin with. Let's wait. Let's wait and watch. Bye, Bob, bro. You missed the trade. Sorry, man. Retest is going to happen. Gotham, bro. Who knows what's going to happen, man? But we're in the trade. We're happy. What's the point of the indicator without the confluence? Exactly, bro, Sherry. Without the main confluence, man, you guys can't trade 3 on 3s, man. The indicator, yeah, you can look at 3 on 3s because there's 100 3 on 3s happening, like you guys can see. Look at this. Those are all 3 on 3s, man. You got to know which 3 on 3 you can take and which might and might not work. So you need that extra confluence that I got. Secret, the sauce. All right. Good morning, bro. Very good morning, people. Are we taking Ash while 3 on 3 is running? Sam, bro, if it's in the same direction, I'll take it. But I can't hedge my trades, right? So if it's in the opposite direction, I can't, man. As simple as that. Bro, this rally might reverse for a potential pullback. So why would you risk the profits? Bro, listen, there is a plan. You always stick to the plan. Yeah, there might be, you know, other things happening. You might look at a pullback. You might actually take in a stop loss here. I might take a stop loss here, man. I'm okay with it. With the backtesting data of the last 2 years, the rules that I've put are from those 2 years of backtest. So when I say I'll let these trades run until Tokyo, that means that the average TP I've got in the last 2 years have surpassed 1 is to 15 RR on average, right? With all the backtests that I've done. It has been successful by holding it until Tokyo, majority of the times, until Tokyo ends. So I will hold it if that's what the backtest wants me to do. So guys, it always depends upon your backtest. I'm okay with taking a stop loss here, man. If it goes to over a 1 is to 8, I'll take a stop loss there. I mean a break even, but it just went to a 1 is to 5, man. I don't worry about it. If it wants to take my break even, if it wants to take my stop loss, so be it. I'm not going to put a break even here. I'll let it run. So be it, guys. Listen, you have rules for a reason. You stick to your guns. You make sure you keep doing it because someday what's going to happen is I've seen trades come back, tap my break even, and then fall. What happens then? Will you miss a 1 is to 40? Right? Guys, trust your strategies. Give it time to breathe. One day, someday, it's going to give you a 1 is to 80, man. That's the day I'm waiting for with this strategy because I'm only risking 0.2% of my account. That's peanuts for me. I'll let it run, right? I'm not worried here, boys. Yeah, it went to a 1 is to 5. I don't care. To be honest, I don't give 2 cents to this, man, because I accept the risk for the strategy. When I'm losing, I'm only losing 50, guys. When I'm winning 1,500 or $2,000 with one trade with this strategy. Okay, that's the whole point of this strategy. I'm okay with it. All right, I accept the bullet. All right, China Open, bro. Yo, I checked it, bro. I don't know why, but when I checked it, it said 4:30 p.m. in Indian time. I'll do it again. Let's let this trade complete. I'll do it again for you, but because that was completely contradictory, right? China Open, 50 points sell aside from the top on the upward crazy move. The Fed news felt so happy, sir, on stop hunt. Yes, sir. Stop hunts work, but try not trading during news, Patel, bro, because you might take stop. You might blow your account, man. If you're trading funding pips, guys, they'll blow your account. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's see if this holds. I don't think this is going to hold, but we will hold our ground no matter what. 6:30 was not. Sympathetic today, boys and girls. Was not sympathetic. All right. You guys ready to do some push-ups? I'm ready. I'm sore from it last night, though. Very sore from last night. All right. Very unlucky, I think. Very unlucky. Yeah, I got my stop loss hit, man. So we continue the process. What do? We come back here. We say, bro, I took a stop loss today. And how much did I take? 50 bucks. We enter it. This is all we do. We'll keep it. We'll keep going. We look for other trades. That's the process, right? So that's the first trade for today. We have three more for today. Let's see. And I'm going to be also looking for Ash. Bro, 6:30 killed us today. No, it's okay. All right. This would be, excuse me. This would be the next Ash trade. That's actually stop hunt. Sorry. That's stop hunt right here. All right. Stop hunt. Stop hunt. All right. I'll wait for price to get there. Once it does, we'll make an entry, man. Guys, trading is a process. You got to understand the ups and downs. I understand mine. Okay. Now, let's get to the stuff. Okay. Push-ups, was it? Hold on. Let me confirm. SL push-up. Yeah. Got it. So that's the SL. We'll make the 15 push-ups. Let's go. Man, I'm actually sore from last night. I mean, from yesterday's push-ups. Let's do it. Six, seven, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. There you go. As promised. That felt good. All right. This is a good punishment to have people. First trade done. Let's see if we get other trades. Went to a 1 is to 5. Could have easily went to a 1 is to 20. So, all right, coming back to the comments. You're calling gold a she, bro? Yeah, man. She is moody sometimes, like today, bro. Nidhi. Good morning, Raj. Very good morning, bro. Ranjit, bro. Welcome. Woke up late? Come on, man. It's very emotional yesterday night with all the credit to you, sir. By watching you live, I learned a lot. Thank you, sir. Patel, bro, you're welcome, man. Means a lot. Thank you for being here, man. Brother, how can I get in touch with you, bro? You can DM me in Discord, man. Make sure you're DMing me, not some scammer out there, okay? Re-entry, bro. I don't look for re-entries when it comes to 3 on 3s. I will look for actual other entries though for 3 on 3. If I get one towards the upside, I'll definitely. I don't. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if I have any other 3 on 3s today, man. Right now, bro, you're hydrating. That was good 15 push-ups. Bro, thank you so much for replying to my question. I really appreciate it. I started following you only 2 days ago. You mentioned that you'll be starting the course on Monday. Yes, sir. I will. Thank you for being here. Welcome. Welcome to the community, man. Bro, I think you secretly book profit behind the stream. Bro, you want to see it, man? I don't book profit. Bro, I'm a man of my word. I walk my talk. I'll show it to you guys. Listen, I'm the most open book you'll get there, man. That's today's trade, bro. You see this? That's today's trade, man. So it was a quick push up, right? So I was aiming for a $50, so $8 um, over my target, but that's today. Can you see this? I'll show it to you guys. Listen, I'm not sure if my face is going to be in between. So that's today's trade, and I took a stop loss there, man. Can you guys see that date? Oh, yes, you can see the dates. See? 30th of July. What timing was it? 6:34. Opening was 5:30 a.m. candle. Closing time was 6:34. There we go. Guys, I have no reason to lie to you people. Honest as usual. Ray is like, let's go long. Ray, just because a fat green candle shows up doesn't mean that I'll be taking longs, my brother. Um, Wait for other setups and then book it. Morning, bro. My brother is here. Welcome, brother. See, bro, we got 129 people on the stream now. I'm happy, man. That's Mega R. Arun is my own brother, my own blood. Say hi, guys. Hard luck. Yeah, man. But sorry, I took some profits earlier. That's good, bro. That's good. Bro, take some profits. We will, man. Don't worry. Yesterday we did. We'll do it today too. Hi, good morning. Watching your live stream after so long. How are you, buddy? Samia, welcome back. You missed some sweet profits out there, but welcome back. I told you 6:30 candle. Yeah, bro. With Arvind, it's either stop loss or TP. I don't agree with that, but that's his principle, people. Yes, sir. Thank you. I have taken TP 4070 and sit in buys for 4071. That's good, bro. Bro, I target for 1 into 1 as a beginner and I'm the happiest person. That's good, man. Do you charge any fee for the course? Could you please tell how much it is? Yeah, it's going to be a premium course, my brother. Uh, to begin with, initially for the first five people who get in, for first two, 249 USD again. Next three, 349. Okay, I'll give coupon for codes for that, but the course is going to be set at 479. That's the course fee. Um, Again, guys, I don't want to advertise it. I didn't make it for everyone. Again, it's only for serious traders, so let's keep it at that. Okay. Yeah, we chase price, my style. Let's go. Long dollar is going to fall, I think, because Fed not wanting rate hike. Ray, man, trade with strategies, bro, not emotions, brother. Come on, you know this. All right. Okay, we'll have to enter that, right? Where is it? Um, we did push-ups, right? Okay. So right now the count is 45. Let's go. Let's keep doing it. All right, guys. If price comes back here, we look for a shot. And if price takes top hunt up here, sorry, not a shot, anything that comes through. Okay. Brother, when will you take the next trade and will you be taking any more trades today? Yeah, bro. Listen, whenever my strategy says for a trade, right now I'm waiting for these zones to be tapped, man. As soon as I do, so I usually take four trades a day. One is done, so three more left for today. Let's see, boys. I'll let you know, man. Don't worry. Gold behave like crypto, bro. Pump and dump. Josh, bro, that's the 6:30 candle. Sometimes, man, sometimes it gives us the TP, sometimes it takes us out. So we gotta respect her, man. Sometimes she's very moody, bro. Took TP out. Balaji, bro. You're legendary, man. Good job. All right. That actually is a stop hunt. That's not even an ash. It's actually a stop hunt because of that push towards the upside. I thought there were only going to be two candles up there, but this one is a legit stop hunt, right? This gap below, man, crazy, right? That's a beautiful gap. And we have a lot to push. Ooh, look at this happening. Where did that zone come from? And look at the tap and reverse from that area. Oh, that's a stop one, bro. Earliest stop one that I drew, I think this happened last night, was it? Yeah, 7:45 p.m. That's fire, bro. Price reversed on the pip. Nice. I like that. I love those zones, bro. That's good. Where is price now? Okay, there she is. All right. Now this is an ash. See, two candles to the upside, two candles to the downside. That's called an ash zone, aggressive stop odds. If price takes this before going here or there, we look for other entries, all right? All right, do you, okay, brother, when you, okay, I said that. Okay, okay. Today, only these types of moves, bro, compared with the past 2 weeks. Yeah, man, because of the news movement yesterday, price will look to balance out all the trades. So it's going to be a day, but we'll keep doing what we do usually. We'll make it. What the flipping F I got out. Ray, I think Ray got in on this fat green candle and then price reversed on him exactly in the next two candles. Bro, that's why I say, man, have a strategy, Ray. Don't trade with candles, man. I shot at high. Dr. Kumar, that's awesome. We'll wait. We'll wait, people. We'll wait for our setups to show up. Look for reversals around 40, 80. Let's see, man. Let's see. Guys, I'm a guy who's willing to see the grass grow. All right. Hi, bro. Sorry to ask. After your course launching this Monday, you will still be coming live regularly like you always do. Just wanted to confirm. Thanks. Bro, thank you for asking that, man. Course, I'm just gonna make it and forget about it. Okay. I'll be live here every single day, man. Don't worry. You guys will still have me. I'll still be doing this day in and day out. Still be teaching you my course, I mean my strategy without a couple of confluences, of course. But I'll be here, man. Jokes apart, I'll be here as usual every morning. Okay, I'll trade my account as I always done. I always did. Sorry. Um, don't worry, man. I'm buying here. The bullish candle looks powerful, guys. Bullish, bullish and bearish candles. Yeah. So refreshing to see a stream in English. Thanks, man. You're welcome, bro. I'm happy that you guys agree with the language of the stream. You know, my mom actually sat me down and she goes, Arvind, why can't you do the stream in your mother tongue? Because imagine a lot of people will be happy that if you do. I was like, yeah, a lot of South Indian people. But what about other people around the globe? What about the people who join me from Nigeria, from Kuala Lumpur, from Singapore, from UK? What about those people, right? That's why we keep it in English. It's an all-inclusive community. We'll keep doing it in English. Mom is always right, Bro, I'm the biggest critic when it comes to my mom's suggestions, man. But 99.5% of the time, she's right, man. Psyched. Let's go, Danny. See, Danny, bro, I won't forget you, man. I will not forget your hustle, bro, because I know how much it takes to watch someone midnight, even after midnight. 6:30 volume. I know, bro. Niranj, it took us out, man. Crazy, right? And then price is doing what it usually does. Come on. It's okay, guys. It's okay. How old are your parents? So, my dad is 64, mom 54. Make a poll on how many people know the Tamil language. Bro, okay. I'll indulge, man. I will indulge. Give me 1 second. Where is, yeah, I'll have to go here. Yesterday I learned how to do polls. Poll. There you go. Which language would you prefer for live sessions? Okay, let's make this interesting. English, Tamil, hold on, regional language, add option, gibberish. What is, how do you spell gibberish? Vietnamese, let's go. Teach your father to trade? No, sir, he's happily retired. He's having the time of his life. Don't worry. Yes, sir, they're younger than you, yes. If you have brother and sister, if yes, they do trading. I have a brother who showed up in the chat. Arun, that was my elder brother. He doesn't trade. I do the trading for him. Guys, can you spell gibberish for me, someone? Do it, man, because I need it as an option, bro. All right. Bro, up FVG, down FVG. It's driving me crazy. What kind of trade should I take? Bro, whatever trades that comes with your strategy, man, take it. Oh, GIBB. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, man. I had one B in it and it didn't accept it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got it now. What language would you prefer for live sessions? English, Tamil, which is regional language, and gibberish. Okay, I'm going to post this. I'll put the link in in the chat so that you guys can actually vote in it. All right, where is it? So how do I see it now? Hold on, guys. There you go. Share this. I'll share it in the comments box. Copy link. Live. All right. Let's go. All right. I have the poll up, and that's the link right now. There you go. And Tanglish also. Tanglish. Sign language. Let's go. That's a valid suggestion right there. Just joking. Relax. Let your dad relax. Watch you trade with stress. Definitely. Dr. Kumar. Hindi. Kaifa Haluka, bro. Kaifa Haluka, I'm not sure what that is. It's starting to seem like just grab liquidity to go lower, but we wait. Yeah, man. Let's wait, my brother. Let's wait. Some ask, what does ash mean and when to enter? Ash is aggressive stop on zones. These are smaller zones. When and once price comes, takes these zones, we wait for the next 5 minute candle to confirm which way price wants to move. If I get a very strong green closing candle towards the upside, I'm taking a long. If I'm getting a very strong down closing candle towards the downside, I'm taking a short. So it's pretty straightforward. Took that 75 pip take profit, not moving scary. Yeah, guys, follow your rules. You'll get much more profit. Trust me. In the long run. Today we might not have hit the gold mine with 3 on 3. Someday we will. How are you, bro? Oh, Kefa Haluka means how are you, bro? I'm good. How do I say I'm good? Bro, you just post the poll directly in the comment section. You don't need to make it. make a link, bro. Bro, I don't know how to do it in the comment section, bro. Yeah, I'll learn though. Valid suggestion, my brother. Good. Can can clearly hear Rishabh Pant saying, "Come on, Ash, come on, bro." Yo, I love that reference, bro. Yeah, I've heard that, bro. Ash, bye. Come on, Ash. Guys, that's a cricket reference. That's an Indian wicketkeeper saying, um, "Come on, Ashwin." His name is Ashwin, so he calls him Ash. That was hilarious, man. Loved it. Thank you for saying that, man. Bro, sorry, man. I didn't catch your name, bro. I work WTP. What's your name, man? That's hilarious, bro. Entered shot. Balaji, bro, let's go, man. Guys, another Ash zone created, man. This is getting clustered. Let's see which one gets tapped first. So, see, two candles up, two candles down. That created this zone. Two candles down, two candles up. That created this Ash zone, okay? Focus. All I'm looking for is shorter zones. This stop hunt is bigger zones with four candles on either sides. 4, 4, and 4, 4, right? So bigger highs and lows, smaller highs and lows. Bigger ones are stop hunts, smaller ones are ash. Simple, right? No better in Asia, just play like returning sagas. But if it takes the liquidity, then the breakout in Asia, then there's just breakout. Just supply demand, just another thing. Yes, sir. What mother do you use, bro? It's in the link in the comment section. I've pinned two two things I trade. You can check it out. Liquidity only works in New York session and London. Say that to the last 2 weeks, man. Yeah, bro. I'm just kidding, man. I sometimes get offended when people say that liquidity only works, you know, in New York sessions. Come on. It's been magical in the last 2 weeks. We've taken upwards of 12 is to threes using stop hunts and ash in the last 2 weeks, man. Sorry, you took me off guard there. I'm sorry. Oh, wow. I'm long again buying the dip to the moon, baby. Ray, yeah, man, you're hilarious, bro. Let's wait, guys. Ray, as usual, is hilarious. Have you traveled in metro yesterday, mate? Did you see someone like me in metro yesterday, bro? Because no, man, I didn't travel yesterday in metro, bro. I'm gonna get old by just explaining Ash, I think. Guys, Ash is aggressive stop hunts. It's just aggressive things. Okay. Don't worry, man. If you just go back 5 minutes in the live session, I just explained it. I know you guys are new, it's fine. I don't mind it, but it's aggressive stop hunts, smaller zones. Okay. All right. Let's we should get a setup in the next 10 to 15 minutes because those are very close by zones. Let's see what we get. Okay. If we get a trade like yesterday, glorious. Where was yesterday's trade? What happened to yesterday's trade again? Oh, this was yesterday's trade. Remember this, people? That was yesterday. If you go back in the live stream yesterday, you could see this. Bro, what a perfect ash trade, man. I think that was a stop on trade. Yeah, that was a stop on trade right there. Yes, sir, that's stop hunt. Yes, it was glorious. Did we close it within the session? Yeah, we closed it within the live session, so you guys can go look at it. I did get another entry here towards, I think towards the short side, but got whacked. But good day yesterday, man. We ended up positive yesterday. That's all that mattered. And let's see if we get such trades today. 1 is to threes are always sweet to take. I know your strategy works. Thank you, bro. No, I was just pulling your leg, man. Don't worry, bro. Don't get offended, people. I'm just making jokes here and there. Maybe dumb jokes. How many of you guys are going to watch Spider-Man Brand New Day? Me. I'll watch Spider-Man Brand New Day. I love Spider-Man. Works as if your strategy is for smaller zones, but people who waiting for that larger liquidity before 10 a.m. Asia don't play liquidity for large moves. If it takes that's only breakout. Okay, bro, that's the difference between liquidity traders and us, right? But stop on, bro, as you mentioned, excuse me, as you mentioned, people look for reversals from liquidity zones. So usually, if an SMT trader or an ICT trader is looking for these, as you guys call in IC, what is it? Uh, what do you call turtle soup? Which one is that? CRT, right? CRT? Is that the There's so many things. I lose track when it comes to ICT spin-offs. So they call it turtle soup. They only wait for breakouts. I'm sorry. They only wait for reversals from these zones. So for them, that's liquidity, right? So they wait for reversals. But this is where we as stop-on traders show levels. We look for both. So that's how our strategy has been successful in the last couple of weeks because we look for both the scenarios. We look for reversals as well as continuations towards the upside. That is, I think, the secret in the last 2 weeks that has worked so very well. Um, that's the difference between a liquidity trader and us. Both scenarios, man, you never know. Guys, these areas are just catalysts for price to move from. Okay. It's not magic. It is going to either blow through those zones or it's going to reverse from those zones. Very rarely it's going to consolidate in those zones. So that's where we, you know, make the most of. We not only wait for tap and reversal, we also wait for tap and just continuation, right? So for people who only trade liquidity, this might be a little different for you. Might be very powerful to learn because, as you guys know, a lot of time price does not respect liquidity and it just keeps going. We also take those trades. I think we have taken plenty of those trades live. You can go back in the live sessions and check. Okay. CRT, let's go. CRT turtle soup. Balaji bro knows it. Gold plum pell going on. Plema pell. Yeah, look at 15-minute chart. Look at a huge hammerhead. Does not look like we're gonna go to the moon, but more like seller push. Ray bro, whatever you say, brother. What about BTC? I don't trade BTC, guys, so no point in going through BTC, man. Hi, Ray. Hi, Raj. Welcome, bro. Liquidity sweep is a kind of manipulation. Yes, sir, Danny. You're right, man. But price can react two ways, right? It can either sweep liquidity and fall, or just keep going after hitting a liquidity zone. That's where we differentiate ourselves because that's why I want to keep reminding you people that stop hunt is different from liquidity. Don't treat stop hunt as liquidity itself because we look for both the trades. We wait. That's why we wait for the next 5-minute candle to close to get a better confirmation because some people think, okay, if price closes with a body above the liquidity zone, that's a breakout. And if price closes with a wick, that's a reversal. That's not how this works, man. Breaking candle will not matter. Most of the times it doesn't matter. The next candle does. The next candle gives you the story on what it wants to do. If it's a very strong closing candle, I'm going towards the upside. Very strong closing candle towards the downside, I'm taking a sell. So that's how this works. And that's how we've been successful the last 2 weeks. We will keep going, right? And I hope you guys understand. CRT is candle range theory. There we go. You guys know this, man. You guys are good. Since the trade is already in profit, why don't you trail your stop loss to CTC and make it risk-free trade? Bro, that trade is done, man. That's yesterday. Guys, this trade I showed you guys, that was done and dusted yesterday live. Right now, I'm waiting for a trade, bro. There's no trade here, bro. Don't worry. And I don't take break evens because the number of times price comes back to break even before taking profit and then goes back to profit. I don't want to lose my TPs just because price decided to, take a break and go back to break even, right? That's why I don't take break evens, guys. I don't believe in the concept. I know a lot of you guys don't agree with it. I don't like it, man. I'd rather take a stop loss than missing a 1 is to 3 or a 1 is to 20. You understand what I'm saying? All right. How are you? Nagraj, bro, I'm doing good, man. How are you, bro? What is Gold View just joined? Sanchit, bro, right now we're waiting for a trade. If price gets to either of these zones, we'll take a trade, man. It breaks the zones to grab liquidity and then goes reversal. It happened in London, New York session a lot. Um, yeah, bro. You trade funded accounts or own capital? Unique. I trade funding pips. I'm on the second step. 25K. Total soup knowing all these. Total soup knowing all these. Start samosa move. Guys, it's gonna be fun today. I'm very surprised, man. It's almost 7:30. We don't have a trade with Ash or Stop Hunt until now. Usually we do get an entry before this. Yeah, we did take an entry about 3 on 3, which ran to 1 is to 5 early in the morning, but that's not what we were looking for. Ash and Stop Hunt zones usually give a setup, but this is very, very surprising. Danny agrees. I also have to paste that here. I forgot it. These things. Copy. Oops. Paste. What am I doing? All right. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Sorry, guys. Hold on. I'm playing with this. There you go. Because this is where we spend most of our time. I want it to be here. Yeah, those are anchored. Nice. Perfect. Is it? I'm a control freak, man. I need it. I need it to be perfect. There you go. Much better. Japan earthquake. Japan had an earthquake? Bro, I need to know, man, if it did have, because that's very important news, bro. Tragedies, Trump, Federal Reserve issues, FOMC statement, F8, 8 minutes ago. Wahab commented. Okay. Putting, oh, oh, yes, thank you for saying that. Just 14. Oh, sorry, didn't want it to sound that way, but how big was it? 7.1? Oh, that's big. 8,000 staying in evacuation centers. Yo, my friend lives in Japan, bro. Hold on, guys. He lives near Tokyo, man. They just moved 2 months ago. Man, I'm genuinely worried now. Guys, hold on, I'm gonna make a call, man. Fuck. Hello? Hey, எல்லாம் ஓகேவா? It's gonna be in Tamil, guys, don't worry. இப்பதான் நான் பார்த்த நியூஸ். ஹோலி எங்க உங்களுக்கு எதுவும் தெரிஞ்சுதானே earthquake? ஓ, ஓகே ஓகே. She's good. ஆமாம் 7.1. யா இப்போதான் சாட்ல சொன்னானுங்க earthquake ஜப்பான்ல அப்படின்னு. கொய்யால என்னடா சொல்றீங்க? சரி சரி லைவ்ல இருக்கேன்டா, சாரி. நான் கால் பண்றேன். ஓகே தானே எல்லாம்? ஓகே ஓகே, நான் கால் பண்றேன். பை பை. I'm sorry, guys. I had to know, man. Couple of my very good friends from college just moved to Japan, and actually they felt the quake. It wasn't as bad. It wasn't 7%. Sorry, that was in my own regional language. You guys couldn't understand. I just asked them if everything was okay. She said it's okay. They're safe. Whew. I'm happy, man. Good. I'm sorry for those who got hit. Goyala, we love to. Yeah. Um, thank God. But this is not good news, man. 14 people confirmed that. That's messed up, bro. I don't like tragedies, man. So in their area, it didn't hit that as bad, but they did feel it. I think it hit 3.2 or something like that in their area, but they're good, man. It was yesterday. Why didn't you guys tell me, man? I didn't know it was yesterday, bro. I I just saw it today, bro. And, and I'm like, bro, thank you for saying that, man. I didn't know that they had an earthquake. And did you get any payout? Said no, bro. I'm waiting for my payout. Where you from? I mean, India. I'm from Chennai, guys. Every entry gives you a trade in all directions. Absolutely. Balaji, bro. And mall exploded. Oh, wow. Earthquake was yesterday. Bro, Indians are everywhere. How did your friend end up in Japan? He is a doctor in the sense he's a physicist, a doctor. So, Dr. Dharmaraj, that's my friend. They moved to Japan, I think 2 months ago for research. He's doing research with a university there in Japan. That's how he ended up in Japan. I'm from Chennai, guys. Uh, no, man, Anik, not no payouts from Funny Pips yet. Soon, bro. I'll let you know. Anik, my entry model is in the link, man. Sorry, guys, I had to take that call. I had to make that call because I had to know. I know. Koyala. Yeah, that was in Tamil, but apologies, man. Bro, if possible, could you please tell us a little bit about your course tomorrow? There are 2 holidays in between. We really can't wait until Monday also. Can you conduct this course before? Sendil bro, listen, man, you guys have waited this far. The 2 more days, man, I haven't completed the course. If I would have completed it, I would have had it by now. Guys, I've been working on it for almost a month. That much of content has gone into it because that's my 9-year journey, right? I'm putting everything into it. I don't want to half-ass the thing and then give it to you, something for the sake of it. So um, give me some time, bro. Sendil, bro. I will have it out to you on Monday, man. Don't worry. Everything I know, everything that I've learned so far, every secret I know will be on that course. You guys have to wait, man. Also, have you conducted this course before, or is it your first time offering it? This is my first time offering the course. I was planning to take that. I was planning to actually take this secrets of my strategy to the grave, but too many requests, man. Too many people wanting to know the secret. So I'm not going to give it, to everyone. It's going to be very, very limited. Let's see. Hi. Hi, bro. Welcome, man. Assam flood death count rises to 75. Yeah, Patel, bro, I saw that, man. People still affected every year, like Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kerala, other parts of India. Yeah, India has a lot of floods. I got very badly affected in 2015, man. It was insane, guys. What is happening to price today, man? I need an entry, guys. Come on. Call stopped out, done for the day. Balaji, bro, I love the discipline, man. Audio track option, please do it. Anita asked me for audio track option yesterday too. I'm gonna check how to do it. Anita, for your sake, I'm gonna right now do it. Hold on. Uh, we'll go to chat. Okay. How do I, okay, audio track. How do I change my audio or translate, right? Okay. Hold on. Hindi automatically during live. Okay, OBS, AI translate, it translates to Hindi. Oh, viewers can see Hindi subtitles. Anita Sharma, are you referring to the subtitles or are you talking, excuse me, are you saying it will be translated into your own mother tongue? I mean, your regional language. Is that what you're saying? AI voice translation looks professional when available. Caption AI. Listen to your English, clone your voice, speak it. I don't want to clone my voice. Live interpreter. I don't know, guys. Listen, sorry. I have to figure that out. I can't do it with 131 people watching live. Apologies. You did ask me yesterday. I should have looked into it. Apologies. I was very caught up yesterday with all the editing and the course stuff. I will try to get this. I'm pushing to finish the course this weekend, so my bad. Brother, not enough. Brother, that's not enough. We need full video and deeply from starting of session to anything that you can explain your strategy because that's not enough to use that strategy to buy those. I don't understand that, man. Full video of deeply and from starting of the session to anything that like to explain your strategy. Are you talking about the course, bro? 630 candle hit 3 on 3 on 5 minutes. Oh, 3 on 3 on 5 minutes? Yeah, I don't do 5 minutes, brother. Bipish, bro. Are you talking about the course or are you talking about YouTube lives? Such it, bro. Ash is aggressive stop once, man. It's difficult to understand the strategy just through that. Oh, through live? Yeah, man, you won't be able to understand the strategy completely because I look for a couple of confluences, right? I haven't revealed it in live. Why would I, right? Um, but that will be on the course. Is that what you're mentioning? More deep and full videos if you can manage. Yeah, that'll be on the course, my brother. Don't worry. Yeah, everything, all the confluences, I spell out all the four confluences that I look for just through the video. Nah, man. Nope. I'm not giving. Why would you think that I'd give my strategy out in live, bro? Do you think people will care if I give it out for free, man? Bro, I'll give it in writing, man. No one would care if I give it out for free. Bro, the amount of strategies, guys, listen, this is the fact because the amount of free strategies that I've watched online and just went past are in the dozens, okay? So you look at a random strategy video online and you look at it, excuse me, you look at it for a couple of minutes, you see if it works. If it doesn't work for a couple of minutes, you just let it be, okay? I've done that. I think you also do that. Keep doing it. You'll only invest your time, your effort into it when you pay something for it, right? I've I think bought 5 to 7 courses throughout the course of last 9 years. I only invested time and effort into those strategies when I bought it with my own hard-earned money, not my dad's, my own, right? That's the reason for not, giving it out for free. If we give it out for free, people will take it for granted. That's not what I want. I didn't want to give it. Sorry, I did not want to give this out. But who are you? Definitely not Trump. Why? Why my gold chart rates are different? Because this is futures, guys. This is comics. This is going to be different because this is the futures chart, and you won't see this if you have the same chart on your screen because you have a D next to this. It'll say delayed. This is premium and this is futures. So it's going to be different, guys. Yes, sir. It's called futures. Bro, put clear video about how to mark stop and zones. Yeah, that I'll do, man. How to mark? Definitely, bro. You are Luga? What is Luga, bro? Based on the monthly candlestick chart, where do you see gold heading next month? Prasad, bro, good question. I don't know, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't work with months. I don't want to be saying things I have no clue about. Okay. Honestly, bro, I don't know, man. I'm an intraday trader. I only work with short-term movements. Trying to predict long-term movements and getting hit in the teeth is not something that I prefer. So apologies, man. I don't know, man. You will do a great service to all the traders if you give it out for free. Ray, bro, not yet do service, man. Even if I um, service will become a tragedy when people walk on you, right? So, not trying to do it. Oh my God, futures and spot moving differently. Exactly, people. A lot of times you'll see different movements. Sometimes futures will take highs and lows. Actually, Patel ji, yesterday's trade that you took would not have been possible in the futures. Let me show you why. This is a live example, people. Focus. All right. You see this? You see this right here? That's the stop and zone Patel bro was talking about in Discord yesterday. That's stop on right there. I'll show you a live example. All right. Sometimes this happens in reverse. Okay. Watch closely. This is spot chart. This is Ovanda. All right. This high was breached and there was an entry towards the downside for stop hunt in the spot chart. Okay. Watch closely. I'm switching to futures. Do you want to see what happened? Boys and girls, this high was not breached. Look at that. It was not breached. This was the same time period like yesterday. Same thing, different. People call this SMT divergence, smart money divergence. I don't know, but I've seen this happen before. Sometimes futures will take a high, spot won't take it. Sometimes spot will take a high, futures won't take it. Okay, this does happen. That is the live example for you people. So be careful when you are looking at the charts. My strategy with all my back tests, excuse me, with all my back tests, my strategy works very well with futures. That's why I look at futures, people. Is that clear? Does that make sense? Bro, what you trading gold spot, US dollar, or it's different? Guys, I mark out my zones and I look for entries and all that in the futures chart. Spot, I only use it to calculate my stop loss. Okay. I hope that's clear. I execute in spot charts. I look for my trades and I look for confirmations in the futures chart. It's not spot. Okay. Big difference. Yes, sir. Got it watching. Perfect. Patel, bro, I'm happy. Already two strategies made myself with past 2 months data is 66% win rate, 6 RR in New York. Now I want to shift to Asia because lack of time management if I could be able to. That's awesome, bro. If you have a 66% win rate, man, you're doing very good, bro. Captured 200 pips yesterday. ICHT is me in Discord. Oh, that's you, bro, IGT. I didn't know, man. Yo, I saw those posts, man. Congrats, man. Well done. I saw those in Discord, bro. Good job. Guys, if you have a strategy, I highly recommend to backtest it in both spot and futures. Sometimes, guys, your strategy might actually work much better in futures. Like mine actually does much better in futures. Trust me, because I backtested both the futures and the spot for the last 2 years. Man, in the long run, so the 2 years data was completely different. I shouldn't say completely, but futures was a lot better, man. If I had, let's say, a month of 3% in spot, example, I had 6% months in futures data. Okay. Mine worked better here, man. That's why I keep looking at the chart in futures. It can be different for you. I would highly suggest you to give it a try. Okay. You might be surprised. Trust me, I was surprised when I knew that, okay, there was a huge difference in the execution when it comes to futures and spot. Okay? Guys, try it out. Let me know. You need to change contract. Why is that, my brother? Is there any way to backtest not manual for sure? Patel, bro, I didn't get that. Can you reframe that question, man? Because, sorry, man, I didn't get that. I'm waiting for entry from your live. Me too. Badri, me too. Guys, we'll be patient. These are very close zones. We never know when we'll get those entries, but when we do, those will be good entries, man. Don't worry. Someone has a 66% win rate. Should be better than Jim Jim Simpson's resonant technology. We have a winner here, bro. Yeah, it depends, on long term what you have. Because guys, listen, 66 is amazing. Trust me. That's what I think I work WTP is also trying to say. 66% is glorious. I have 36 and I'm doing good, man. Very good to be honest. Sometimes I have 50 plus if it's a good month, 50 plus win rate. Those are glorious months for me, man. All right, all right, all right. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Too many messages, boys. I'm using, I couldn't find in my brokerage, I'm using funding room. Bro, what couldn't you find, man? Nagraj, bro? What are you talking about? Oh, gold spot of futures? Yeah, man. Listen, bro, you won't have it in certain brokerages. They'd only either give futures or spots. It depends on, great, bro, which for me. Okay, it depends upon the prop firms or the brokers that you guys are using, man. You don't have to do anything, bro. Just execute the trades with what you have. It's going to be very similar, but ex guys, listen, I don't have futures in funding pips. Even I execute in spots. I only look for my entries and exits. I'm sorry, my strategy in futures, okay? There's a difference, guys. Do not confuse this. I'm only looking for entries here, but even me, I execute in spot. Don't worry about the difference. I'm only saying backtest your strategies and see which your strategy works better to analyze. All right. To execute, you can execute it anywhere, man. It's pretty similar when it comes to, the movement and all. But sometimes the highs will be claimed by either one. You gotta be you gotta be very vigilant on how and where your strategy works, but you can execute it anywhere. All right. I hope that's clear, man. 36% can buy you mansions in Chennai. Bro, 36% can buy you mansion. Totally agree, man. With a 1 is to 3 risk to reward, 36% is all we need, right? Agree, bro. Totally agree with you, man. Ash is an aggressive stop on zones. What about DXY? I know some people do, but someone in Discord just asked, can someone give me an instant account? If someone is generous enough, go ahead. Um, DXY, I've never traded it. I've never actually worked with it. My brother does. He's not my own brother, but I have a brother, a neighbor. He does trade. Look at DXY and compare it with Euro USD and GBP USD comparisons. He does ICT. So I'm not sure if there's a difference with DXY charts. No clue. Backtest a trading strategy properly. Best website can you suggest? Oh, now I got it. Patel, bro. Funding, sorry, TradingView, I think might be a good option. If you don't have premium, you'll have to go with FX Book, I think. What is it called, guys? FX Book, right? FX Book. FX Book. My FX Book. Sorry. Yeah. That's something you can use, I think, to backtest. I don't think you have to pay. Correct me if I'm wrong. Um, do they give free data for the last 2 years, man? I'm not sure. I have my best friend's premium account, so I get to backtest with his premium account, bro. Tea break, people. Yellow. 2 minutes. Been called down for tea. Badri got pissed. She's asking why should anyone gift you a free account? Guys, come on, be fair. Yeah, man, that's a good question. But again, let's be kind, people. Um, go to sell reverse of Fib Zoto. Okay, valid suggestion. I'm not sure what those are, but try it, Patel, bro. They don't give it. Daisy says no. People are having fun in Discord. Guys, listen. I'm going to take a break here. TP stop hunt 4067. Guys, that zone wasn't tapped. That wasn't tapped. There's no trade running right now. But I'm going to take a break here. If price comes to Ash, I'll come running back, okay? We'll be back after. Guys, give me 10 minutes. I will be back. We'll definitely get some trades for today. I'm pretty sure about it because only rarely I don't get trades within the first 3 hours. Their backtest very buggy. Oh, you used it before? Okay, valid suggestion. Patel bro, try this. Use MT5 history, man. That could work. Again, guys, listen. Any issues if you guys have, if you don't know the answer to it, just put it in YouTube, man, or ask it to GPT. These are lifesavers for me because that's how I usually do it. If I have a question, I just put it in there. All right. Um, all right, guys, I'm gonna have tea and come back, okay? We'll let Price do whatever it wants to do right now. Give me 10 minutes, I'll be back, all right? See you in a bit.
Two greens, two reds. That doesn't look convincing for a zone. Interesting.
All right, guys, I'm back. Thank you. I got a welcome back. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I thought of making this an ash zone. I'm still contemplating. I don't have much time in it. So up, down, it's not convincing, man. I don't want to push it because I need to see this happening. I need to see either that if it's a high, or I need to see something like this, even if it's a smaller zone, right? Would you guys consider this a low? I don't know, man. I think that's pushing it. I don't want to push it that high. I agree with this high. So price pushed high, and then it's now pushing down. High is agreed, but low, that doesn't look like a low. So guys, we will wait for this low, man. That looks beautiful because that's a valid reversal from here. Pushes down, pushes up, valid, right? Let's just take valid zones. Let's see what happens. Okay. What happened before today? Sorry, I was late. Yeah, you missed a 3-on-3 trade which went to 1:5 and then came back to kill me. That's the only thing that happened. Yeah, bro. Don't worry. Haven't taken a trade with Ash or Stoppen yet. I highly suggest you guys to learn this and apply this. Um, go to settings and trading view and switch box of continuous contracts. Oh, Win. I remember what you're saying, man. Or the gaps in contracts. Makes sense. But I like to keep it with this, man, because the previous zones are going to change if I change the contract, right? I pretty much think so. I don't want to do that. Good strategy, bro. Use the Fibonacci tool more. It fits really well. Um, yeah, man. I only look for lows and highs, man. So nothing complicated. I'm new. Where you from? Hello, welcome. I'm from Chennai, South India. Thank you for joining. Where are you from? All right, guys. We're waiting at this point. Oh, nice, bro. You're my neighbor, man. Bro, how was the tea? Hi, man. Today, the attendance in the tea committee was low, bro. Usually, I have my dad, wife, and myself, right? Four people. Today, it was just my mom and me. Dad was sleeping, okay? My wife is not home. She's in our mom's place. So it's just the two of us. Pretty intimate stuff, man. Entry, not yet, bro. I'm waiting for one, man. If and when price comes back, I'd also consider this as a high. That's a mini zone right there. But when price takes this, I'm pretty sure price will also take that one. So I'm just not going to draw it and waste, everyone's time. But let's see. Let's wait for price to get to either of these zones. Once it does, I will give you an entry. I'll be here for another solid 55 minutes. Let's see if we get another entry in a TP. Okay? Patience, people. Yes, man. I am a full-time trader, bro. This is everything that I do, man. Guys, we've got 80 likes to the stream. Muchas gracias. Appreciate it. Okay, brother. Your live timings are on the bottom of the screen, bro. Every day, Tokyo Open. Okay? Right there on the bottom. I'm new here. Share your story. If not done today. My story? Which part of my story do you want to hear, bro? Um, do you want the part where I got my ass kicked when I went abroad, or my trading Trading journey. Such a send chai. Let's go. Let's have some tea, bro. What about the poll? Yeah, I'm not sure what happened to the poll. Let me check. Let me check, Nidhi, bro. I totally forgot about the poll, man. Bro, we've got 27 posts. Okay. Um, 59% of it was, let me show you, man. Let me show you, boys. Content, posts. There you go. So we got 27 votes, all right? English, 59%. Let's go. Regional language, 33%. And gibberish, 7%. Yo, I'd love it if this was higher, man. Yeah, boys and girls. So the poll wins. It's always English because a lot of other people do not understand regional languages. I totally agree with the poll. Thank you for voting. It's always fun to do polls. I like it. Hello, Arvind. How are you? Today I am late. Hopefully you get the successful. So today I'm late. Hopefully you get the success trade till now. Hi. I haven't taken an Ash or stop on trade yet because no entry for me. I'm still waiting. Don't worry. You'll get to see it. Your voice is like Hero Siddharth. You want me to sing? People will start running, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment, my brother. Um, Studies, job, and trading. Okay. Good question. Studies. I did my bachelor's. Okay. From schooling. Um, so in India, there's a school called Kendra Vidyalaya. My dad was in the army, so I went to Kendra Vidyalaya. Very strict, bad student myself. Very below average. Okay. Hated math. Until my sixth grade, I was decent in math. 70 to 80% was my score in math until sixth grade. After that, it took a nosedive. And when I completed my 12th grade, I had barely, barely passed my 12th grade in math. I got 33. So passing in my school, to pass your grade is 33. 33, you need to pass the grade. I exactly got 33. Bro, that's the happiest. That was the actually happiest day of my life. I passed that shit. Insane. Um, what next? And then I went to a college called SRM. I'm pretty sure people in India might know this. SRM University, that's where I did my UG. Yeah, man, fun days, bro. Had a lot of love. Um, Roamed around, bunked classes, bro. It was fun. Did that. I did electronics, by the way, BSc electronics, bachelor's in electronics. No clue why I chose it. Don't ask me why. I mean, I did it. Okay. And then after the course, I couldn't sleep for, actually, from the second year, I couldn't sleep. I didn't know what the hell I was going to do with my life. After the second year, I was like, oh my God, this is getting real. What am I going to do when I complete this course? That's when I realized, holy shit, I got to do something. So I did all kinds of crazy stuff, to choose a career. I thought I'd become a photographer, which didn't turn out good. I'm very bad at it. And then I thought I'll read for IAS exams. So for those of you who don't know what IAS is, it's the top ranking officer in the government. Okay, um, so I thought I'll read for it, guys. I barely passed my school exams. How do you think I'll pass one of the toughest exams on planet Earth? So not possible. I couldn't do it. And then I said, listen, if I couldn't crack IAS, let me try bank exams. So to work in a bank in India, you got to go through banking exams. So for every 10, I'm talking about Indian government banks, okay? These are reputed banks. So if you want to get into it, for every 10 posts openings that open up, there'll be 3 to 5 million people applying. Okay, for every 10, very competitive. So I got into a class, went there, got my ass kicked again. I didn't know that everything was math. 80% of that course was math. The paper for the bank exam, 80% of it was math, man. And I was like, the hell with this. I'm not going to do this. I tried it for 3 months. I was sitting there trying to learn, math and all that stuff because I wanted to do something with my life, right? Tried it, did not work. I was like, nope. For 3 months, hold on, I'm checking 3 on 3 for a second because I don't want to miss a trade. Oh, sorry. So after that, I came to an understanding that it's not going to work out. And then my best friend was in Singapore at that time. He was like, "Bro, why are you struggling? Don't stress, man." I wasn't sleeping, man. I couldn't sleep because I was so worried about my future back in the second year. So he's like, "Why don't you come abroad?" I was like, "Coming abroad?" My older brother, actually went to UK for his PG masters. So he did his masters in Swansea University, UK. Man, he did very well there. Had fun. Very tough timing for him, but he couldn't get his visa to extend, so he had to come back. But he's very good now. Um, so I was like, I didn't want to go out of India because I don't want to, miss everything here. But eventually, I was like, the hell with India. Let's just get out and let's try to get the experience. Searched for abroad for 6 months, 6 to 8 months, and then figured out, okay, the only place that could charge less and could give me the time period that I need in order to, make something out of myself will be Canada. Because if you guys don't know this, if you go to Canada to study for 2 years, they'll give you a visa for 3 years. So you can stay there for 3 years more, find a job, get your permanent residency in Canada. Okay. And decided, okay, I'll do it. Went to Canada, got my ass whooped, stayed there for 7 years. Um, what a journey, man. That's when I was deeply understanding trading. I was actually working multiple jobs, did all the 9 yards, paid my own fees. Yeah, I don't want to get into too much detail. This is live. I don't know who's watching. So, yeah, man, it was nice, bro. That's where I learned trading. Came back and I was like, now I want to be doing what I love from where I love. Love is Chennai, regardless of wherever I've been. Love has always been Chennai, man. The people, the food, place, temperature, trust me, lovely here. So, so guys, that's my story, man. This journey started 2017. That's when I left to Canada. That's when I started learning about trading. Trading since 2017, started actual trading in 2020. That's when I made my own money because I wanted to invest my own money. So it took me 3 years to pay off my tuition fees and then, save some money to actually trade. During that time period, I was actually learning every single day. Um, Started it part time with stocks, then moved to BTC, made a ton of money, lost a ton of money, and then I was like, let's actually do it for the long term. Let's understand, learn a strategy, apply it every single day, and yeah, man, the rest is history, bro. Okay, let's go to the comments. Hey, bro, Vishal, hi, man. 3 on 3 farming in 1 minute. Yeah, bro, that doesn't fit the confluence, man. There is an option in settings to make a poll in comment section. Search it, bro. Oh, okay. Nidhi, bro, for the next poll, I'll definitely do it, man. Bro, I checked 3 on 3 formed. Yeah, yeah, I am looking at it, bro. Um, yep. I'll let you know if. Oh, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Two down, two up. Man, enough of the storytelling. Now let's get into business. Guys, I'm making this Nash zone, man. See, two down, two up. Think that should be valid for me. That's all I need. Remember, I was talking about a pyramid. That's my small pyramid. Okay. If and when price breaks this area, I'll be looking for a trade, man. Okay. I hope that makes sense. He's playing with us today. He hasn't hit any ash zones since the morning. It's very, very irregular. But let's see if we get a trade here. We need to break one of these and give us a trade, man. It can't break both at the same time. Let's wait. Bro, you're a bookworm nerd. Stop your story. I'm gonna fall down. Yeah, man. That's my story, bro. I can relate. I'm in New Zealand. See, bro, guys, it's not easy being abroad, man. Um, Someone knows that feeling. Trust me. My best friend still lives in Singapore. He's dying to get back to India. His circumstances, not that easy to get back. But I was fortunate enough, guys. I'm blessed, man. I'm truly blessed to be sitting here doing this live, doing something that I do every single day, which I love. I'm very happy, man. I'm a very satisfied and a happy guy, man. That's why you see me smile all the time on the chat, bro. Guys, I'm very happy with my life, especially with my wife. Satisfied in all corners of life, man. All right, guys, that's a valid take right there. Let's see if price gets to this zone within this candle. I'll dis I'll disregard this, but let's see. Almost pleasant, Tori. You mentioned temperature in Chennai. Nah, man, it's hot in here. Bro, if you lived in a place where the temperature for 6 months where I lived was above minus 20. So I mean, I meant to say that below minus 20 degrees. For that, for being a guy who never saw anything below plus 20 to going there and experiencing minus 20 for 6 months, bro, that's hell, man. We guys here in Chennai are in heaven, bro, because we got so used to the hot temperatures. For me, I can bear 40 degrees because I have AC, I have, my car, that's all fine. But in Canada, bro, you can't step outside, man. It's a weird feeling, bro. It's the minus 35 degrees there, which will feel like minus 40. Bro, that's insane, man. Bro, I hated every second of it. Winters, bro, I hated it. That doesn't mean that I didn't go out. Guys, I used to work out in the winters. For one winter, I was working as um, a charity volunteer. One winter, I was out on the street collecting funds for a charity, and that was brutal. That was my first winter in Canada. It was minus. I still remember the first day, 14th of February, 2018. 14th Feb. That's the first winter I got through in Canada. I got that job as how do you guys call it? I forgot the name, man. So people collect funds for a charity, right? Um, Fundraiser. God damn. So I was working as a fundraiser, man. My first day out, it was minus 19. Bro, I couldn't feel my hands, my legs, my nose, nothing. I had to type on. So when I, sign up a person, I have to type on my tablet, right? So they have a tablet. Bro, I could not type with my hands. So I was doing this because this wasn't moving, man. Everything was frozen. I couldn't move those things. So, guys, if you are living in any other place, I think heat for me is much better than cold, people. Sun and lifeline, it looks nice from afar. It sucks when you live. It sucks when you live with it. I live in South Africa. Okay. I believe as I believe you, as I've worked in Chennai for 3 years, I lived in South Africa. That's awesome, bro. Paul, you worked in Chennai, man? That's amazing, bro. I didn't know that. Bro, level broken. Absolutely. Guys, I'm gonna wait for this candle. If this candle breaches this one, I can't do anything about it. I have to wait for other candles, but I will be looking for a trade here, man. If it is a strong down closing candle, we're going for a short. Strong up closing candle, we're looking for a long, all right? Let's see. First trade for Sopond or Ash today. Okay. You guys are gonna get what you were waiting for this long, all right? Don't rush to trade. I'm waiting for New York session. Sure, man. Don't trade XAUUSD. I mean not comics. Sean Shaw. Hold on. Good to know your journey. How old are you, bro? Bro, I'm 31, man. I'm 31. I'm quite old. I'm break even. That's awesome, bro. Guys, I'm just looking at the chat now. You don't trade XAUUSD. I meant not comics. Yep. I only look for my trades here. I execute in spot. Sun is lifeline. It looks nice from afar. It sucks when you start living in it. Let's freeze for a while. Sharad bro, I did froze for a while, man. I worked in Katapoli and I was living in Somerset Hotel in Chennai. Oh, Paul. Awesome, bro. Yo, you know Chennai then, man. Guys, okay, I'm gonna lock in now. I have 3.5 minutes for this candle close. I won't be able to read the chat. Hold on. Wait for me, all right? Let's switch to spot and let's wait for an entry. All right, here we go. That's the zone. Guys, I'll come in, I'll come to the comments from Discord. I am seeing some messages. I'm not sure what's going on there, but um, I will get there. What's happening? My tab froze. Okay, 5 minutes. All right, guys, I'll be looking for a sell if this is a strong down closing candle. I'll let you guys know. 2.5 minutes for closure. We'll see. Right now, it's looking like a sell. Oops, wrong tool. Where the hell is this? Okay, there you go. This is the tool I need. Stop hunt, right? Yeah, it is stop hunt. Reset points. That might be the entry. That might be the stop loss candle. Okay, let's see, guys. But if this below zone gets tapped, I won't be able to take it, man. Not possible. Okay. Be very careful on my entries and rules. If this gets tapped before this candle closes, I won't take it. Okay. I'll wait for the next candle to show up. All right. Right now, we're waiting for confirmations. If this candle closes as is, I'm taking a shot right here. All right. All right. So I'm risking 50. Let's see what we get. 1 minute to candle closure. I'm not in this yet. Hold on. That doesn't look convincing, man. All right, guys, 30 seconds on my clock. Guys, there'll always be a lag. You see this? That's my timings. Make sure you're looking at the chart, right? There'll be a 6 to 7 second lag in YouTube live. So be careful. Wait for my confirmation. 7 seconds. Let's see if I get a strong closure here, man. If not, I'm not in, okay? I'm not in, boys. Nope. I didn't like that candle. Look, that's a doji almost. I'm not doing it. So we're waiting for the next candle to see what happens. Right now, we're just chilling, okay? Yeah, that's not confirmation enough for me. That turned out to be a doji, okay? I'm gonna hide this for now so that there's no confusions. I am not in again. This is Ash. Okay, that's Ash. I'm still waiting. Let's see. Going back to the chat. Two green candle is red. In order chart, the second green candle is red. Bro, that's why I've done all my back testing in futures chart, bro. Um, Rajesh, bro, it's different, right? In both futures and spot. I know what you mean, man. All right, guys, let's see, man. We're still waiting for it. All right. Bro, your entry done? Nope. I'm not in that trade. Excuse me. What's the reason for this trade? The reason for is this ash zone right here. Okay. Guys, 3 minutes more. If this candle closes as is, which is a strong downward closing candle, I'll look for a sell. Okay. But if it takes this zone, I'll still wait. Always remember, ash zones are very smaller zones, which is aggressive. These are stop hunt zones down here. See this? That's stop hunt. Those are stop hunt. Bigger zones. Stop hunt. So if this candle takes this low, I'll wait for the next candle to confirm. Okay. I will not be in. People, hold on. So these zones are stop hunts. 2.5 minutes. Let's see. Bro, where to get the stop hunt indicator? Man, I don't have an indicator for stop hunt, bro. I just, guys, just mark the highs and lows, man. There's no science to it. Please try to understand. Look at all my live sessions. I'm just marking highs and lows. As long as there are 4 candles to either sides and making a valid reversal like this, that's all I need, guys. Okay? That's a valid reversal. 4 candles to the left, 4 candles to the right. That's stop hunt. Okay. If there is 2 candles to the left, 2 candles to the right, that's ash. Simple. Keep it simple, people. So there's 1.5 minutes. I'm going to focus again. I'll come back to the chat. Let's see if I get another entry here. If this candle closes, oh, wait. Guys, I can't take it, man. Because listen, let me show you. This is live. This is why I trade futures. The reason is this. So you see this, right? This is ash zone. Can you see this? Ash zone has not been tapped. This is the spot. All right, let me show you the futures. That's the futures. And what do you see? The zone is tapped, people. Almost the same, actually the same commodity, gold, but futures acts differently, spot acts differently. I do my analysis in futures. I do not go with spot. That is the reason. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to wait for the next candle to close and give me confirmation because that's a valid ash zone. I'm going to disregard this zone because the most recent zone was tapped. There were 2 zones. Okay, let me explain this. This was the first ash zone. Why? 2 candles down, 2 candles up. That's an ash zone. Simple. All right. Drew the line. Price came through. That was not confirmation enough for me. I do have a couple of confluence. Remember, those confluence did not meet. What did I do? Wait for the second candle to close. When it was happening, it tapped my next ash zone. What am I doing? I'm waiting for the next 5 minute candle to close. Okay. I hope that's clear. I'm going to disregard the previous ash zone because the next one has already been tapped. So always wait to see what price is going to react, how price is going to react from the most recent tapped zone. I hope that's pretty clear. Right now, all I'm waiting to see is what this candle wants to do because as you guys can see, the stop losses from below this area has been breached. You see that wick? That means people sitting here with the stop losses has been taken off from their trades. Can you guys understand? Yep. So now we wait for this 5 minute candle to close. Is that clear, people? Wait 17 minutes. If 1 hour closes, you can sell. Guys, real GCC, I have my trading strategy. You guys have yours. I'm not waiting for anything else. If my strategy says jump, I'm going to jump from a cliff. All right. I don't care about 1 hour. I don't care about 4 hours. I don't hell care about Trump for that matter. And I'm thankful that he's sleeping right now. So let's wait for this candle to close. If it closes very strongly, again, 2 confluences close to my chest. All right, guys. Let's see, man. That is very interesting. This closes very strongly, bro. I'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. You wait for my confirmation. That's why I say always wait for the next candle to tell you what it wants to do. Maybe it'll close somewhere down here. And it might also, tap this zone down here. So always be careful with all the zones. Draw them out to make sure what's the most recent zone that's been tapped. Once you have the most recent tap, wait for the next 5-minute candle to give you confirmation. What confirmation do you wait for to entering after a stop hunt? Bro, that's the secret sauce, isn't it? I haven't said that out aloud. I'm not gonna. Um, that's the secret, brother. All right, guys. Again, I'm gonna lock in. I won't be able to see the chat. I'm gonna be looking at execution right now. Wait for me for the next 3.5 minutes. I'll let you know if I get into this trade. Okay, I'm waiting for confirmations here. All right, let's see if I get a valid trade entry here. Right now, it's looking like it wants to give me a long, which is interesting. All right, so if it is a long, okay, this is how it's going to look like. Again, 2.5 minutes to candle close. I'm giving you an example. All right, hold on. Release points. That might be the entry. Again, we'll wait for it. That might be the SL. So it looked something similar to this. Can you get me? It might be if this candle closes as this, I might take a long. But there is again, excuse me, there's another 1.5 minutes for this candle to close. So I'm waiting for that 1.5 minutes and then taking the entry. So the lot size for this one would be somewhere around 0.14 or 0.15, depending upon where this candle closes. This will keep changing because the candle is moving in real time, right? So that's the lot size calculator. That's why this thing keeps moving. Let's see, boys and girls. Let's see if I get a wallet set up this morning. So this is the first trade for Ash and Stop Hunt. Usually I take 2 per day per strategy. This one will be the first one for this strategy. Let's see. I have to charge my things up. Oh, wow. I haven't charged both the laptop and the tab. 30 seconds. And I'm very skeptical about this because this is not confirming if it wants to close low or high, man. Okay. 20 seconds. If it is a sell, it'll be something like this, okay? Entry candle, that'll be stop loss candle. Something like that. But right now, it's not information enough. Okay? I might not take this trade, guys. 0.09. Nope, not yet. That wasn't confirmation for me. Excuse me. I'm not in, people. Still waiting. I don't like these candles, man. I need clear-cut confirmations from my end. That's not it, okay? Still waiting. Still waiting. Guys, always. I don't trade without my confirmations. I usually wait for 2 candles max. So after this zone was taken, I will wait for the next candle max for confirmation and then I'll disregard the zone, okay? I'm still waiting here. I'm not in. Still waiting. Want valid closures, valid strong closures. That is not what I'm looking for. My confidence did not match. All right. Stay focused. Three on if 3 on 3 Ash stop hunt in line, which would you follow as a beginner? Bro, as a beginner, bro, I'd highly suggest you to follow Ash and stop hunt because 3 on 3 is gonna play with your mind. Okay. I was gonna say something else, but it's gonna play with your mind because that strategy is gonna give you more stop losses than TPs. Yeah, TPs might be big, but as a beginner, you want a strategy which gives you peace of mind and confidence to keep going, right? Stop under Nash, a pretty good Sharad, bro. Those give you, so let me quickly show you this. So in the past week, this is stop hunt and Ash together. Every day, almost every day, we got TPs. The only days we didn't get was this one. So 15th of July and 27th of July. That's the only 2 days in the last. How many days is this? That's 22 days. Is it? Hold on. How many days is this? It's 12 days, sorry. 12 days of trading. Okay. If you get something like this, man, your brain is so happy. You're very happy with your trading, right? So always, guys, when you're initially starting, get a strategy that gives you a decent enough win rate with a good enough risk to reward. All right. That's highly recommendable. So good question, man. Love it. Guys, I'll come back to the question again. This is the last candle. I'm waiting for the zone. If it doesn't give me an entry here, I'll wait for other candles. Sorry, other zones. All right. Again, 2.5 minutes to close. Let's see, man. If I'm getting a sell here, I'm taking it. Looks like a sell right now, but it's going to change at the last second. We wait for our confirmations. I will tell you, no, wow, that's pushing down now. I like that. I like that. Okay. Guys, again, if I'm taking a sell, it's going to look something like this. All right. Reset points. That'll be the entry candle. Okay. This one would be the stop loss candle. So it will look something like this. TP will be down there. Entry will be here when this closes. Okay. 2 minutes. Wait. When and if it closes strongly with all my confidences, I'll get in. Right now, this is how it's going to look like. Okay. You see that candle moving? That's the lot size calculator moving with it. So I don't have to calculate it every time. And this is the issue I had for the last 2 months, actually, for the last freaking 3 years. I couldn't calculate my lot size accurately, and I was losing money on both ends. I was getting my stop losses bigger because of the miscalculations. And also, my TPs were smaller because of the miscalculations. Right now, we've figured something out, and it's actually working very well. All right, guys, 1.5 minutes to closure. Let's see if this candle closes as is. I'll be in for a shot, all right? But right now, we're waiting. 0.06. Man, I've never waited this long for an Ash entry, bro. I mean, that's way too long for an entry. 54 seconds, people. I'm still waiting. Sorry, guys, I won't be able to see the chat right now because I'm locked in. Give me another 40 seconds to figure this out, and I'll be back to the chat. Um, 30 seconds. This is looking good for a shot. Let's see where this ends up. 0.5. Okay. Actually, I'll take 0.6. 15 seconds, people. Yep, I'm in, boys. I'm in on a sell. Let's go. Yep. First trade for stop on today. Let's go. So that's the shot. At the end of that candle, stop loss goes above here, targeting 1:3, which will be down here. If it gets there, it gets there. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. All right. So stop loss is here. Entry has been made. There. TP is sitting way down here, boys. There you go. That's the first trade for Ash today, boys and girls. Let's see what happens. Is that clear? Hold on. I'm coming back to the chat. I'm back to the chat. All right. Yeah, fresh entry. Bro, that trade analysis, hold on. Trade analysis in your Discord are allowed to paste our analysis, or is it only for update? Just to confirm. Guys, Let's keep the Discord with Stop Hunt or Ash or 3 on 3s, because when you see something, you put it there, people learn from that things. If you're posting other ICT trades or whatever, people are going to get confused. Please do not try to do it. If you see any Ash entries, Stop Hunt entries, or even 3 on 3 entries, go ahead. We can talk about it. We can post it in Discord. Please keep it within these three frameworks. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, man. If 3 on 3 Ash, Stop Hunt is in line. Sure, bro, I did answer that. Fair enough. Every trader deserves to keep one secret, otherwise, we'll retire next week. Absolutely, bro. I'm glad you see that. Prasad, bro. Yeah, man. Guys, listen, if anything is out given out for free, people will walk all over that, man. I highly believe that. Good morning, bro. Rajat, it's been a while, man. You've been silent, or I don't see you as often as before, man. What is the beep sound from, sir? That's from 313s. I have alerts on for 313s. If I get a 313 entry, it gives me an alert. But not every 313 is valid. So I just keep checking my phone. As you guys can see there, I have my phone checking the 313 entries. All right, guys. This looks beautiful as is. Let's see. Hello, sir. I'm new here. Subscribe to your channel. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, welcome. You can also join Discord. I'm pretty much available. You can ask me any questions in the chat or Discord. Thank you for being here. How you get the target? Manish Kumar, bro. Listen, that's a 1 to 3 right there. That's it. I don't look for structures. I don't look for previous whatever. All I'm targeting is a simple 1 to 3 with the strategy. It's very simple. Ash zones, very simple targets, very fixed, tough rules that I follow. If I get a 1 to 3, I'm happy with it. Okay. I'm done for the day. I'll keep walking. My entry at 40.69. Nice, Daisy. Bro, where are you from? I'm gonna put it somewhere, man. Guys, I'm from Chennai, man. I'm from South India. How are you getting the stop on from? Bro, it's just highs and lows, man. That's it. So there are, guys, if you're new here, I have the links to my strategy. So video links, me explaining the strategy in pinned in the comments. Please do watch it. Very straightforward strategies. Again, with a couple of extra confluences. Okay. Hi, bro. I'm from Chennai, bro. Great to see you. Kumar, Sami, bro. Hi. Good to see you too, man. Happy. Thank you for being here. It's always lovely to meet people, man. I'm very happy, guys. I'm also from Chennai, so lots of love from here. I'm waking up late these days, brother, due to ongoing research before sleep. Rajat, bro, totally understand your situation, man. But always happy to see you, man. I'm trading with funding pips, guys. Now you can. Ooh, I like that movement, bro. We're getting some push here. Let's go. Bro, your English accent live. Wow. Thank you, man. I'm glad that you like it, bro. Um, Hi, bro. This Ilan from Canada. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Is it Ian? Is it Ian? I'm not. Am I saying that right? Shaw join Discord. F Pips join Discord. Welcome, guys. Where from Canada, man? Which part? I still have friends who are in Canada. Where from Canada, bro? 1.3K already. Lol. Daisy, congrats on the profits that you see. Bro, support from Tokyo session is here at 40.62. How are you confident the support will be broken? Bro, I got a setup. I took it. If price goes to stop loss, I don't mind. If price goes to TP, I never mind. Okay. I only take my setups. Yeah, I get that there is a big stop on zone right there. Price might react, but whichever trade shows up first with my strategy, I hop on. Okay. I don't question the other things. I hop on, put an exit, a stop loss. Whatever hits first gets hit. That's it. Keep your trading simple. Your life will be a lot easier. Keep it mechanical. You'll have a lot of peace of mind. Okay. Right now, I'm not thinking, oh my God, this top one is hit. Um, is the price going to reverse? Let it reverse, guys. Let it reverse. Not every trade will play out. Last 2 weeks has been very, very good to us. We will keep doing what we're doing. We will get there, people. Just trust your strategy, back your strategy. That's what I do. I hope you guys do that too, man. 3 at 8 o'clock, was it valid? Balaji, bro, yeah, man, I missed it. I was talking to you guys, I missed it. So, what's your strategy? It's in the links below, man. I'm from Calgary, Alberta. Let's go, Ian, bro. Bro, I've seen those images, man. Calgary, beautiful, bro. Alberta, I want to get there, man. Someday I'll come there, bro. I'll let you know. My sis is in Canada. Oh, Jayashree, sis, which part of Canada? If hit TP, I get 5K. Daisy, let's go. Someone sent me a gold coin. Thank you. Thank you for the gold coin. Why did you set TP? What's the reason behind it? It's a simple 1 to 3 people. That's it. Brother, how can we get this green, red stop hunt indicator which auto calculate your stop loss in TP? Bro, Prasad, bro, listen. Um, that's been custom made by my best friend. I'm going to give it with the course for free with the course. It'll come with the package, but the 313 indicator that you guys saw, I'm going to give it out for free next week, Monday. But the other calculator, the stop hunt and the stop loss calculator that moved, I'm going to reserve that for the course, man. Apologies. I took my profit. Thank you. You're welcome, bro. Do you do live every day? Absolutely, my brother. Every day, you can check all my lives. I don't delete stuff. It's all out there, man. So from 5:30 to 8:45 IST. So whenever Tokyo starts, and 3 hours 15 minutes after that. Don't worry, man. I'll get to your question. You don't have to spam my comments. I'll definitely get to your question. Please do not spam the comments because a lot of people are watching this. No, man. I don't do nights, guys. I don't like nights. Tokyo is my love, my own and only love. I only stick to Tokyo's boys and girls. Hi, bro. Welcome to Rajasthan. Padaro mero desh. Padaro mare desh. I'll get that, man. Even JP Morgan doesn't know when market will reverse. Everything is possibility. Sure, bro. Totally agree with you, man. You guys don't know when it's gonna happen, right? I love that. I'm from Chennai, bro. Zach, Itri Carvado. Entry Carvado. I'm already in a trade, man. Let's see, guys. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Thank you. Let me know if you're here. I like your confidence on your strategy. Thank you, man. I'll definitely let you know. Listen, one of my friends, they've been saying they'll get married soon for the last 3 years. I don't know when. I'm I've lost hope. They live in Canada, but I have to get to the wedding. Maybe this year, maybe next year. I don't know when they're gonna get married. They've been in a relationship for the last, I think, 4 years. They're putting off the wedding, man. So when they do get the invitation, I'll definitely come to Canada, man. I'm planning on a road trip from Toronto to Vancouver. That's going to be, I think, 3,000 kilometer road trip. I might do it. I'll let you know, bro. I'll come through. I'll come through Calgary, man. If I do it, all right. All right. Entry Karado by first time key trade pay. That's the trade. That's the entry, guys. So building the futures trading a significant discount, guys. The link that you just saw in Discord is a scam. Please do not click it. Okay, I'm gonna block that person right now. Let's do that. This is a scam, people. So thank God he sent it right now. Guys, this is a scam. Do not fall for it if you're on Discord. Do not click these links. These people keep trying this. I don't know why this is so childish. I don't know what these guys are thinking, man, but comedy, man. Don't don't click those links, people. I'm gonna kick them out right now. But what are these guys thinking? This is just childish in my sense. Uh, how do they think that people are gonna fall for it, man? That's what I don't understand. Okay. How do you think that people are going to fall for your link saying, guys, our moderator has given you opportunity to join something with money? For God's sakes, man. Childish shit. Sorry, guys. I get pissed when scammers get to my community. And please, people, if you're new to the community, if you just joined Discord, do not talk to people posing as me. I'll never text you. Never, never. Okay? If you want to text me, click this. Okay? You see this? I talk in the Discord. Look, I was active this morning, even last night. Look, click this and talk to me if you want to talk to me. Send a message from here, not from somewhere else. Do not. So you see this? This is me, guys. So it'll have a little crown to it. That's the server owner. That's me. If you see people like these are all scammers out there, man. Same names, same DP. Don't fall for it, all right? I'll never ask you for money. I'll never talk to you first. I'll never send you friend requests. Do not fall for scams. I just checked my. All right. I'm very protective of my community. I hope you guys understand. You guys can take re-entries if you want. It's up to you, people. Don't spam. Yes, man. Please, guys, don't spam. Mississauga is there for almost 7 years now. Wow, I've lived in Mississauga for 2 years. Sis, good place. Very, very calming. Entry, Carado. That's the entry, guys. Balaji, bro, yeah, man, I missed that. Why are you doing this? Guys, do not spam people, please. Sorry, I was I was distracted. I'll get to your comments, man. Yeah, re-entry is completely up to you, people. Guys, these are the trades that I take. If you want to take it or not, it's completely up to you. So do not ask for entry and re-entries. I'm just showing you what I do. It's up to you to learn or even just copy it, right? I'm just, guys, again, if someone from RBI is watching, look, for educational purposes only, I'm not a CB registered advisor. That's for the government, okay? It's just an educational content here, boys and girls. It's Tokyo and China. Bro, can I enter now? I need to wait. Sudeep, bro, it's up to you, man. Got my TP. That's awesome, bro. People are actually falling for them. Some actually, wow, seriously? Guys, don't fall for them. They're just scammers trying to get your money. Do not. Sorry, guys, I got your comments late. Completely up to you if you want to get in. Next week I'll come to Chennai, bro. I hope we will meet. Nidhi, bro, let me know when you come next week, man. Because if I'm available, bro, sorry. Because if I'm available, let's chat, man. Let's have coffee. Nice catch. Thank you, man. What would be the first TP, bro? There's no first TP, guys, with me. I'm a stubborn, I don't want to say the next word, but I'm a stubborn guy. I'll wait for my ones to threes. If not, I'll bugger off. All right, guys. I'll be here for the next 5 minutes. If you have any questions, shoot. If not, you can ask any questions in Discord. I'm pretty active there. So let me get some water, man. USA Gold is not a part of SEBI. But guys, I'm streaming from India, right? So if they watch it, they're gonna say things and they might, find me, bro. Hi, bro. There was a scam message for P2P copy trading. Guys, yeah, exactly. I don't do P2Ps. I don't do my, yet, at least. Guys, there's no P2Ps that I do. I don't take money from you to trade for you. I don't trade your funded accounts. I don't do any of that, okay? I'm only going to have a course next Monday that's going to come out. Even when someone texts you saying, listen, bro, I'm going to give it to you in 50% off or 40% off, do not trust them. I've seen that happen. They'll say they'll give you my course. Once you send the money, they'll not give you anything. They're going to scam you out of your money, man. Please be careful. I've said this before. I'm saying this now. Do not give your money to someone else. Okay? Yeah, there are rules to my server. If you disrespect it, I'll kick you out in the next second. Please don't get scammed because after the course comes out, there are going to be people trying to scam other people in the community. Okay? I cannot stop it. If it's not me, I'll give you very specific instructions on how to access that course. Okay? If you want it, go through that link only and only through that link. Don't touch anything else. If I text you saying, I'm giving you a 40% discount, that's a scam. All right? Careful. I don't want you guys to get scammed. Nidhi, bro, definitely, man. get in touch with me, bro. Even Sherry, bro, was asking for a meetup, so we'll meet together, man. Got you, my man. Thank you, Hunter, bro. If you visit Edmonton, then I'll be honored to meet you. I got a lot of people from Canada, man. This is amazing. Guys, if and when I come to Canada, I will put it in Discord. We'll definitely have a hoot, man. I'll text you guys. Balaji, bro, yeah, man, I'm a stubborn AH, bro. I'm a very stubborn AH, man. Sudhir, bro, says this trade will go to bottom. If it does, we're taking another three, another 1 to 3, guys. We will put it down. Let's go. If it goes there, man, we're almost to the end of the month. Guys, that'll be awesome. அவங்க காடு அவங்க கிடக்குறாங்க. Raj, bro, you gotta be very careful with these people, man. Soon your chat will be flooded with people who spam and simply repeat questions all day, bro. Yeah, man. Guys, I hate that fact that a lot of people gonna come in after seeing all this because I've stopped making YouTube videos for the last month because I'm focused on the course. Once I start making videos, this is gonna get hectic for me to answer every question. We're gonna have a lot of scammers who are gonna attack the community. That's why I keep telling you guys to be careful on the community Discord. Scammers out there, guys. Bro, you're a good person, clean heart. Thank you, man. I try to be, bro. Guys, the only reason why I'm doing the live is to be the difference that I want to see in other people. I want to see people who are transparent. That's why I'm showing you every single trade that I take. These are the losses. These are the take profits. That's the monthly. That's the win rate. That's the amount of trades I've taken, wins, losses, everything. This is the transparency I've longed for in someone who's doing live. Not being fake is something that I want to be standing for, and I want to protect my community at all costs. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. You don't have to love me. You don't have to hate me. If you like me, learn something, 1 or 2 things from me. I'll be very happy. If you don't like me, it's fine, man. Other streams, right? So be respectful with others. Be kind to others in both Discord as well as in the comment section. If you're not kind to others, man, I'm going to kick you out. There's no 2 warnings, man. If I see you abusing others, man, I'm going to kick you out. So sorry to say that, but be kind to others, people. I like the Tokyo session, bro. Trump is sleeping, then there's no news from him. The tweets come too much volatility. Exactly, man. Girish, bro. That's why I do Tokyo sessions, guys. How is your Spanish? English, guys, English or Spanish? How much is your course, brother? Bro, I'll tell you Monday, man. Don't worry. I've said this plenty of times, but I don't want to repeat it, man. Let's not talk about. Let's go from Australia. Let's go, Hunter. Which city are you in Canada? Um, I lived in Toronto, majorly. So these are the places I've lived: Etobicoke, Mississauga, North York. What else? Brampton. My sister lives, cousin sister. These are the places I've actually spent a lot of time in. So thank you so much. I recovered losses today. You're welcome. We all love you, bro. Thank you so much, man. Means a lot. Any link to join your community, bro? Discord is in the description of this video. You can join. Guys, it's time up for me. I'm not going to wait for this trade to go wherever it wants to go. I'd love to be here for the next 3 hours, but I'm kind of exhausted. So, guys, listen, with my trades, if you want to trade like me, I don't take break evens or I don't take partial take profits. Guys, mark these levels. If this gets here, I'm going to take a take profit. If this gets there, I'm going to take a stop loss. Okay. Anything and everything I'll update in Discord. Okay. Last 3 comments and I'll bugger off. Should I, excuse me, should I trail stop loss to method? Just leave it. In my method, Daisy, I don't do anything else. I just keep it. Stop loss is up there. I leave it time to breathe and then TP. Okay. Everything is fixed, guys. If you guys are new, get this about me. I'm a stubborn AH. As I told you guys before, I'm going to wait for either TP to hit or stop loss to hit. Okay. If you guys want to see, I'll show you my live trade running. Hold on. That's the position right there. That's stop loss. Oh, I forgot to put TP. Hold on, hold on. Let me do that while I have you guys because I don't like forgetting things. 150. There you go. The TP has been set now. Can you guys see this? That's TP right there. 4040 is my C trader TP. If it gets there, it gets there. If it doesn't, it doesn't. All right. All right. How to learn your strategy? Wait till Monday. You'll know how to learn my strategy. Bro, manipulation happened with us in morning trade. That's why I don't want to get a TP this time. We will get it, I'm sure. Sudhir, bro, yeah, man. Price went up to get our stop loss, and then now it's falling towards TP. If you guys can go back in the session, I took a trade first thing in the morning. Price came back to take me out. That was the trade. That was the 3 on 3. Price took me out exactly and then fell. So we got an entry there. Look at this. We got an entry there. Price fell to a 1:5. Came back, took us out, and then and then it's falling back again, people. My God. Since I don't take break evens, I didn't take a break even there. I took a stop loss. But again, this I don't. I'm thinking of staying for another 5 minutes. What do you guys say? Bro, when I break even my sell, it's up to you, bro. Uh, you're welcome, bro. Gold hold 4,000. Any idea, bro? What's your plan? I'm going to hold until 40, 43 minimum. And then if I get another trade, I'll take it, man. Okay, holding your method. Daisy, amazing. Using your seed. Oh, you're using seed. Yeah, Daisy, I use Seed Trader. Very, very user friendly. I love Seed Trader, guys. It makes my life very easy. Trust me, the extra $20 was worth it. 100% worth it. Bro, how are you going to manage the capital deposit and withdrawals in your Indian bank account? Guys, I am actually thinking about it. When I get to the funded stage, I'm going to do more research about it. I'm going to give you the method I'm going to use. For now, I'm just focused on passing this account and then getting to the live phase. Okay. I'm in the second phase. Hold on with me. Be with me on this journey, guys. We're going to go to heights. We're going to pass multiple accounts in the coming months, hopefully, with God's help. Okay. We'll keep doing this. All right. Are you going to teach conferences as well in your course? Yes, sir. The course, I'm giving out everything that I got. Every single conference. First, I'll spell out every conference I have. The next module, I'm spelling out how I look for conferences, how I actually take trades. In the next module in the course, I'm teaching on how I do my backtest with all the conferences. So everything is in there, man. So Monday, I'm giving that out. All right. 10 minutes extra. Okay. Stay for another 1 hour. Man, I'll kill myself, bro. Guys, I'm saying until 9. Okay. Another 11 minutes. Let's see if we get this TP in that time. That'll be amazing. Okay. Stick to your rules, buddy. 8:45, you say bye bye. Sherry, bro, I'm feeling generous today, man, because I love to see this TP hit live. That's always a good feeling to have, man. Sherry, bro, let me do this one day, man. I know there are rules. Today, I'm gonna break that. Bye. Wait till 9 o'clock. Yeah, bro. I'll wait till 9, guys. For you. That's today, man. Guilty pleasures. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see if we can take a TP right here, boys and girls. Before I go, there's 10 minutes before I go. If this hits TP before 10 minutes, I'm the happiest person on planet Earth. Because for most of the trades, of most of my trades, I'm, I've not been able to give closure in terms of exits during live. Some trades run for 10 hours, 15 hours. Last week, we closed a TP after 29 hours. Man, I love to give closures for my trades during the live session, bro. That's beautiful to watch, right? What are the details of the course and fees? Bro, guys, stick around. Monday, I'm giving you everything. For the first 5 people who come in, there's gonna be a discount. For everyone else who comes in after, there's gonna be a fixed price. But I'm giving all the details on Monday. Don't worry. Stick with me, all right? It's gain now 3 on 3 on chart. Um, that's a 5 minute 3 on 3, bro. So I can't work with it, man. Just touched VWAP. Oh, nice, bro. Balaji, bro. I love to trade with you, my bro. Sudhir, man. Yo, it goes both ways, man. I'm very happy that you guys, stick with me through the thick and thin because a couple of weeks ago, I wasn't having a good run for 1 week. And then we have had a couple of great weeks. But even then, you guys were with me. Huge respect. Thank you so much. This is the fruit of patience, I think, because last 2 weeks has been amazing. Even in the live sessions, I think we've got more than 10 1 to 3s in the last 2 weeks in live alone. I'm very happy, man. That goes to show that I respect. Took the same trade with another $1,000. Thanks, brother. Badri, you're welcome. I'm glad you took that TP with me. Congratulations on that. Um, this is what I'm saying. Congrats to. There you go. Look at that. Let's go. I'm going to answer this. Amazing. Congrats again. Congrats, people. It takes a lot of balls to actually execute live with me. Well done. Very well done, Badri. That's fire right there. How much did she catch? She got 1,268 pips today. $1,000. There we go. Well done. Just you're executing. Thanks, bro. You're so exuberant. I don't know what that means, but that looks like a beautiful compliment. What is exuberant? I like that word. What is exuberant? Exuberant. Wow, I'm learning. Used, but full of energy and excellent excitement. Oh, sorry, full of energy and excitement. Muchas gracias. Thank you, lovely. Thank you for saying that. Um, I don't know what to say. I'm blushing right now. What if we wait until 9:15 for target it in life, man? Bro, listen, that will eat into my routine. I have to have my breakfast at 9:30 sharp because last night I had dinner at 7 p.m. because I'm doing a fasting, intermediate fasting thing. I'm so hungry right now. I don't want to push it too far, okay? Guys, I do have a routine that I follow strictly. Can you please confirm the 3 on 3 on NQ? Uh, bro, there is a confluence, man. I'm pretty sure it will not work out, but sorry, man. Once you guys have the confluence, man, from the course, it'll be easier for you, man. Don't worry. Well done and have a good night. Hola, bro. Congrats to you too, man. Have a great day, bro. Another win, bro. Thanks. You guys, it hasn't gone to TP yet, man. You guys are jumping off the trade already? Come on. Come on. Congrats to all. Guys, that's funding pips. The terminal is funding pips. I'm just looking at the messages, man. Or morning. Yeah, but for me, it's morning. For you guys, I think it's night. Hola, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here, bro. See you tomorrow, though. The quality of showing how to be alive. Yeah, thank you. Means a lot. Next time, next live trade timing. Shiva Lakshmi, next time, next live session will be tomorrow. Man, guys, I'm actually tapped out, I think. 5 more minutes and I'm done. Uh, Tomorrow morning at 5:30, I'll be here. Be very happy to, talk to you guys tomorrow morning. 5 more minutes, I'm gonna push this and then I'm done, okay? Hold this till 1 hour close, previous 1 hour EG, take partials and let it run. Bro, I'm gonna let it run. Thank you for the suggestions though. Guys, I think I've hit my limit in terms of talking for 4 hours, almost 3.5 hours now. Bro, funding, excuse me. Bro, is funding pips legal for Indian citizens or only for NRIs? Bro, it's legal for Indian people, man. I trade funding pips. It's all legal as long as you pay taxes on the on the payouts that you receive. It's completely legal, my brother. You can go ahead and do it. Thank you so much, bro. You're welcome, my brother. I'm happy you guys took this with me and took a TP from it. Congratulations for the people who've already booked profits. But you know me, I'm gonna wait for the whole 9 yards. Let's see. CME loves gold for weekend trading. Yes, gold is going to be active during the weekends, but trust me, I'm never going to touch gold in the weekends because I need my family time, people. I'm going to have some time with my family. All right, guys, 3 more minutes and I'm done. You're welcome, guys. I'm happy you guys joined. Thank you for being here. You guys make my day. Trust me. You know, the stories I tell my mom and my wife every single day from the people I meet in my chat, it keeps increasing. So whenever you come here, you talk to me in the chat, okay? Tell me your life story. I'm happy to get to know you guys, all right? We're with you till the end. There we go, David, bro. Means a lot to me, brother. Means a lot to me. Trust me. You guys, you know, the end goal might be money from YouTube, but it has given me much more satisfaction to do live. Yeah, I did initially start this with money in mind, but trust me, I don't care if YouTube doesn't pay me. The amount of people I get to meet, the amount of conversations, pure conversations I get to have, man, I'm blessed, man. I'm very happy that I started doing live. Very, very happy, guys. Thank you. We are happy to be here too. Balaji, bro, means a lot, man. Means a lot. Guys, I'm very happy, man. I never thought I'd become a teacher at any point in my life. Actually, my college professor told me that I'd be good at it. I didn't believe him. I said, sir, please don't kid around. I took one class. I'm not going to be good at it. But trust me, man, I feel like I might be a good teacher after all. Hey, Arvind, my first TP hit with you. Great, thanks. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Trading கதை எங்க வீட்ல சொன்னா அடுத்த நேரம் சோறு கிடைக்காது. Raj Raj Mahindra bro says if he says the trading story in his house, he won't get food for the next meal. Guys, my family has accepted me as who I am because they fought against it. My mom actually fought against me for trading. She told me not to do it. She gave me the emotional roller coaster, but I said, listen, trading is what that gives me peace. It's something that I love. I'm gonna do it until the day I lie. Sorry, until the day I die. Even if it means that I'm gonna stand on the streets, I'm gonna do it with a smile. Okay. Trading has been mean for the last 2.5 years. Not always, but pretty tough on me. But I know for a fact that we're gonna make it because I have a feeling. Maybe. No, man, surely we're gonna make it. We have the discipline to do it. We will keep trying. One day, man, one day, you see this, one day this thing will show $15,000 right here. It's running right now is in $88. Good. Right now, 1,700 pips we caught this morning. Someday that will show $15,000 to $20,000 in one trade. Mark my words. I'm not saying this to be overconfident, overconfident or cocky. I'm saying this because I'm patient enough to get there. That's the goal. It'll happen one day, maybe not today. That's the goal, people. That's how I view trading. Trust your process. Stay with trading. It's going to feed you. Trust me, it's going to change your whole family and the generations to come. Keep doing it. This is me signing off. Thank you so much for being here. It's 9 o'clock. I don't break my second rule. My first rule was to exit at 8:45. Right now, as you guys can see, it's over 9. Guys, thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure doing this. I love getting to know you people, getting to know you people. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, sharp at 5:30 my time. Whenever Tokyo starts for your time, I'll be here. This is Arvind Rangasamy signing off. Absolute pleasure. Have a great day. Take care.